Welcome back, friends and traders. Happy Friday. Welcome to Lunchbox Trading. Good afternoon. I hope everybody made their way over to the new stream. We did have to kill that old stream, and we had to restart a brand new one. I saw about 1,800 people in the waiting room to get started, and we've got about 1,800 watching now. If you still got the old chat open, do me a favor and go over there and tell everybody to get over to the new stream right away. All right. Again, welcome to Lunchbox Trading. We got a special edition for you here. First, we've got Coach Robert over there, head coach of the Technical Titans, Topstep VIP experience. And in the middle, we have Narek, one of the brand new members of the Technical Titans. Narek, welcome to TopstepTV. How are you this afternoon?
Great. Very excited for this event, and thanks for having me.
Wonderful. Great to have you here. Coach Robert, what's happening in your world? How are you doing this afternoon? Tell us everything.
Well, just make this real quick, JD, but things are going great. Appreciate Nara coming on here. We got a couple of VIP traders in the wings also, just like the other coaches. We have a form they fill out. Hey, who wants to come on and talk about stuff? We're ready to kick the season off and get some traders on every day on Lunchbox Trading. This is what you get. You're going to get a coach and a trader from that particular coach's team. We're having a ball. We're really looking forward to everything. And it's good news coming up here. Hey, it's a Friday. We got a weekend coming up. And what do they say about traders is we're like the only ones that look forward to work Monday morning, right? So, Narek, great to see you. We have great conversations. I can't wait to hear what he's doing. He's got a lot to share. I'm going to sit back and let him take over, JD take over the stuff. And he's got a lot to go. Great trader, a lot of great in this group. We're having a ball. We got our meeting right after this, awesome, too, by the way. So y'all better not be late.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Well, I got a special announcement, something wonderful for you guys to share in your meeting right after this. Coach Robert, Narek, we had just gotten word. If you were drafted onto a VAP team, go ahead and check your inbox. It is looking like accounts have been created and everybody is all set to start trading bright and early Monday morning, possibly Sunday evening. But account creation looks to be completed. Go ahead, check your inbox, and yeah, congratulations to everybody that made it onto a VIP team. Next week is go time. 3 full months and a 100K trading combine, free activation fee, free access to a dedicated Discord room with your coach and the rest of your teammates. You get 6 free resets over that 30-day or 3-month period, 90-day period. Man, what a special treat. So can't wait to dig in there and start getting some updates on these VIP traders. All right, Narek, let's get into it a little bit. First off, welcome to TopstepTV. Tell us a little bit about your trading background. How did you find Topstep, and how did Topstep find you? Take it away.
I was just trading, looking for channels on YouTube, random live broadcasts, and then randomly you don't know, autoplay when a video ends, another one comes up, and then I heard Andre's voice, and he was so energetic and active. It was like, who is this guy? Because I'm in Pacific time, like 6 a.m. He was just running. It's like, why is this guy so? It's so energy and like it's ready to go, and I like that because that's how a trading day should be. And it's like all focused and very kind of disciplined and high energy. And I got started like after that every day, every morning, pretty much what I like to start my day with Hoag's levels and then just analysis and big picture of what's happening in the market. Then eventually I started my Topstep account, and since then I haven't looked back. And then lately we got on VIP, which is a privilege, and so far it's been awesome. And very excited for this journey I started, and then the second level of the journey, how we're gonna kind of progress from here on.
Very cool. So how did you first get into futures trading, Narek? Did you find futures first? Were you in another asset class? How long have you been trading in general, would you say?
I've been trading since 2017, and I got into equities a little bit, but obviously I didn't have much capital to begin with. It was like minimal gains. Then right before COVID, we were at the bar with my friend. I was like, oh, my put call options are like down. I was like, what are you talking about? And then eventually I got into options and swing trading and then day trading. But my personality is like I want to go deep and learn everything about whatever I'm doing. So I got into strategies, strategies, different option strategies, Greeks, but it was getting too much and I was spending so much time and I have other things going on. So randomly, my coworker talked about all the sticks and then few points I'm getting this like, what are you talking about? And then that's how I got introduced to ES mainly, and then adopted NQ's kind of aggressiveness, and then that fits my personality. So slowly transitioned from options to futures and never looked back.
Very cool. Very cool. And obviously, you're a bell to beller. I'll call you a bell to beller. You filled out enough check-in forms to make it onto a VIP team. You got enough submissions to get yourself a nice lottery draw. So, thank you for being here. Who would you say your favorite character on TopstepTV is? Who do you enjoy watching the most on here? We
That's
can answer
like
that
asking.
later. You don't have to answer that now.
Yeah.
Careful now.
Careful,
Like asking your
right?
kid, you like your mom or your dad? Which one you like better? That's how.
All right, let's talk about the technical titans a little bit. You made it on to Coach Robert's team. Coach Robert, you guys have had a few meetings already. What have you been talking about so far? Now that we know you guys are going to be able to get started on Sunday evening, what's the lesson? Is the lesson plan going to change tonight when you guys meet after this? What are you guys going to be talking about in there? Hitting the ground running or just business as usual in the technical titans room?
Oh, if anybody knows me, JD, we hit the ground running 2 weeks ago, week and a half ago, a week ago, and on Tuesday. So pretty energetic. We got super good traders. Everybody's excited. And I'll tell you, the one thing I am most impressed about, even Narek here, and he's gonna mention something about GPT stuff here in a minute, I believe. I'll let him go on that. But the thing that impressed me the most is that all the traders in the technical titans anyway, and I'm sure some of the other coaches too, but for our group, we are basically just silencing the noise. We have a bunch of like these logos behind me here. We just put them up. Hey, this is our focus. We're going to silence the noise, focus on what we're doing, get rid of everything that isn't working, and focus on what is working. We have a lot of traders that said, I just encourage to say, all right, let's look at a different instrument. Let's look at a different time of day. Let's look at a different time frame. You know what? The hell with it. Let's not look at a time chart from it. Let's look at tick. Let's go to Kagi charts. Let's go to Renkos. And let's just expand our knowledge. Waiting for the accounts to come in. We had that little bit of extra time to get everybody's mind opened up. We had 3 special sessions about mindset and technicals and trader psychology and stuff. And it's just been an amazing group. And I'm gonna kick it over to Narek, and he can talk about some of the stuff we're doing with all the technical stuff. We're just a bunch of nerds in here, and I say that lovingly for our entire group. We have a lot of early mornings, a lot of late nights, a lot of long sessions, but I think everybody's enjoying it. We're having a blast. It's super looking forward to starting up on Sunday night. Right after this, we have our final team meeting, and I had 2 topics prepared based on accounts or not accounts, so I know which one I'm going with now.
Yeah, we started from the basics, psychology, discipline, and how to silence the noise. That's our main theme. That's what we're mainly focusing on so far. How to filter the good trades, quality trades, and we've been working on a strategy with Coach Robert. That's kind of, it clears my decision making. It's just I'm very strict on, okay, if it hits the zone, then you get in like very strict discipline, no brainer kind of, it's just on autopilot, no emotion, no feeling. It's just if it's the zone, that's it. Which is great because even though I have my rules and everything, but sometimes intuition kicks in and you just take a trade that you feel it's gonna be good, but then little it's just whipsaws back right on your entry, and then that's it. But so far it's been great. I sized down with Coach Roberts. I think that's the most productive thing that I've done in the past few months, which is great. I think when I see the consistency, even though it's small profit day, green days, it affects your mentality too. That okay, if it's a small loss, it's okay. On long run, you're gonna make. I mean, that's the basic of this game. It's just about the numbers and consistency. think that's one of the greatest things that I've done so far. And what we mainly focus on in our meetings is just discipline, noise, focusing on what your strategy is, and just being very mathematician, like very just numbers, no feeling, no decision making based on what you kind of had in mind. It's just what you see at the moment.
Great summary.
Also, we worked on a little bit of side project, chat GPTs, and how kind of it helps us determine the overnight values activities, which again, Coach Robert, it's one of those main classes that we had in Topstep. If it wasn't for Topstep's classes, I wouldn't get into AI and just creating all this creative chat GPTs like the sidekick for myself.
Yeah, this is very interesting. Can you tell us a little more about this? What did you learn from Robert about building your own GPTs, and what kind did you create? You got a couple different ones?
Yeah, I created. I always wanted something to kind of clear my bias and ask me questions that I may not see the signs, or maybe if I'm going sideways, it will can kind of bring back my focus and attention to the main matter. After the class that we had with Coach Robert about GPTs, and then kind of it sparked in my mind, so okay, like maybe I can use this instead of just asking the main GPT and without any kind of settings modifications. And since then, I created 5, 6 different chat GPTs, one for my trading, which is great. Every morning, I talk about overnight activity, the values, market profile, value profiles, and kind of we review stuff that I already know or I see, but it kind of draws the focus on exactly what I have to focus on instead of me wandering around. It's like, okay, maybe this, maybe that. It kind of narrows down the options, which is great. And then when you write, obviously you have more kind of in your mind than just it's just a thought. That's great. Then I created one for my girlfriend, one for my grandma. It's just like daily tasks, which has been great. And I'm just whatever I see around, it's like, oh, maybe I can use ChatGPT for this, and it's amazing, very fun.
Very cool. Very cool. I'm glad you're taking a lot out of this. Coach Robert has a lot to teach. I'm glad you're listening to him. What about API work? Are you bringing that up at all in your discussions in Discord, Robert? Is that a topic of conversation for VIPs? Something you're thinking about maybe getting some of these traders into?
Just as a good question, JD, and it's a little bit of a side thing. We're not doing that specifically for VIP because the VIP is more about us and about the traders and what we can do.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very small amount, that are that in depth of technical and coding wise for API. However, on Tuesday and Thursday nights, 5 p.m. Central Time, I have 2 sessions dedicated to doing all this technical stuff. We actually do some coding and in sharing of data like that. It's a nerd fest, and I say that lovingly because it's really stacking up. We started off like 20, 30 traders, and there's 100 and something that show up each night now. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do that kind of a side thing. But for VIP, there are a couple of traders in there who are a little more on the technical side, and we have a couple little side conversations to help them along. But as Eric said, he didn't know any of this stuff and said, hey, how did you make this GPT to help us out? It's a custom one. And with GPT-5 coming out, it really enhances everything. And there is one for everybody. We'll throw the link in the chat. I'm sure Shumi's got that locally, and if not, I'll dump it in there in a few minutes. But he made his own, and that was the best part. It's like, hey, wait a second, how'd you build this? So we had this little session, and this is how we do it. And he made several of them for several, like he said, for his family members, and it kind of blows you away. And just me, true to my form. I mean, that's just a GPT for Chat GPT, but I'm also using Perplexity, DeepSeek, Claude, Abacus to try to you get the best of both worlds for whatever you're working on. Some are better than others for some are tasks. So to sum it up, JD, for VIP, we're not going to focus on any of that. A couple side conversations, but the VIP is all about making us better as traders, coming into the program one trader and hopefully leaving the program a better trader. That is what VIP is all about.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that. Good news. Great to hear that. A couple of quick things. We know that President Trump is speaking right now. We're working to get that stream back up. We had to switch we at TopStep had to switch streams, so we're trying to plug back into that news feed to get it live on air for you. There are some headlines coming out. He's talking about the Russia-Ukraine conflict at the moment. I believe he was talking about the stock market when he first started, but we'll pipe that in as soon as we get it back. Also, for any questioning or asking about their VIP login credentials, just log into your dashboard. Your new VIP account will be there. I choose awesome. Thanks for that. I choose awesome. All right, just a couple quick updates. All right, one more thing before we get back into it. We have a trader that hit tier 1 of the live performance bonus. If we could pull that up real quick. Wanted to share this earlier. We've got Stephen D unlocking tier 1, gets himself $1,000 bonus. Stephen D's been in this live account for 14. Well, he's had 14 winning days. He's been in this account since July 16th. Got back positive, hit that $15,000 profit mark. He's also in positive territory now. Number 12 on the big board, unlocking tier 1 of the live performance bonus, gets himself $1,000. Nice job, Stephen D, number 12 on the big board. Looking forward to catching up with you and your progress very, very shortly. Thank you so much. Apologies if I looked distracted there. I had 3 things going on at once. All right, so VIP account creation is done. You're getting in there. You'll be able to trade live. Are you going to, Narek, when you get in your account, are you going to start trading immediately Sunday night? Or are you going to wait for Monday? Are you going to get together with the rest of your team? You guys going to talk through strategy or anything? Or are you itching to get in there? Do you want to start right away? How's it going to work out for you?
Probably I'll dive into it if I see an opportunity, but I'm not like that kind of trader. It's just to be on the market. On Pacific time, we have a little bit of window in the evening and night on the weekends. So it's probably going to be on Monday morning.
Monday morning. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, don't rush it. There's no reason to rush it. You've got 3 months. Yep. You've got 90 full days in this 100K XFA. You get 6 free resets again. Activation fee waived. Man, what a great deal. Coach Robert, are you going to encourage your team to hold off on Sunday night? Do you want to talk to them first? Do you want to make sure everybody's in their accounts before you guys get started? Is that something, work as a team together, get everybody together, make sure everybody's got their accounts together, answer any questions before you get started, or are you just going to say, do it?
Great question, JD, and I'll answer that for you, and then for Narek and for the entire team. Fortunately, we have our team meeting for the final one this week, right after this segment. So now I know what I'm going to say specifically. However, it is a team of individuals, so some traders will be trading Sunday night because that's how they trade. And it's not necessarily because it's a Sunday night, because we have traders around the world, literally Taiwan, literally Australia, literally London and Germany. So we say, hey, Sunday night is great. They're like, no, I just rolled out of bed. I'm starting to trade. So it really matters. It's a team of individuals. And that's what I highly encourage. Every trader is different. And we've had the last 2 weeks to narrow down a process. We have our plan put together. We have our risk managed. And if I could say one more thing about that, is a lot of the traders used to trade one product one way. You're trading other products different ways and doing better at that. And it's all just basically part of the process. I think Narek can really speak to that as well. He just said at the beginning, we just said slow down, scale down, size down, and everything seems to fall into place. Just a little while ago, we had another trader say, I was doing this, but over the last few days, I was looking at another product in a little different instrument. Another strategy style. And they're like, I'm just holding on to everything now. I'm just doing so much better. And that's exactly right. We had a couple exercises that we did. Everybody gravitated to, which was great. And to say again, we're a team of individuals and we're competing against ourselves. And specifically, I wrote that for Narek because you're into tennis, and when you're in a sport, it's you against somebody else, opponent, offense and defense. But in trading, it's you against you. And I would love to hear you're going to conquer yourself, because you're basically playing yourself on the tennis court when you're trading. So if you can talk about that there in a minute. But we're excited, and everybody's a little different, JD.
For sure. Agreed. No 2 traders are the same, right? All right, Narek, before we got in here, you're talking about possibly getting into a trade. I think we have your chart shared. You want to walk us through one of your setups? What were you seeing earlier before we came on live on Topstep TV? You were scouting out a trade. You were about to jump in. Tell us about it. What were you
Right.
looking at? What were you seeing in the markets?
So I usually trade MNQs and MESs. Used to be NQ and ES, but after VIP, so we switched down, and that's affected my performance as like nothing yet other. But right before we get into the live stream, I was looking at this candle, which is kind of very close to 50 EMA, and obviously we have a bullish bias here. I was waiting for a pullback. I was one of those traders that emotion gets into me, and I was like, as soon as I see a bullish candle, it says, okay, this is going up. This is okay, I get it, and then it just pulls back, and I get out of the trade, and then it goes straight to my target that I kind of had in mind. So I decided to only trade pullbacks, no matter what, and that's what I've been waiting for. Right before our meeting, I think that was the news event too. I noticed that kind of rejection candle here, and I have a tick chart here, and you can see on the right side, I have Bollinger Bands, and kind of it was a little bit pushing too hard, and they don't get what they wanted to, like the effort and reward wasn't there for bearish mindset kind of. As I can see, it doesn't have the momentum to continue, and it's like it's been a long way since the top. So I thought that's going to be a good opportunity to go long right on that rejection candle. But I was debating, and then we have a news event. So okay, maybe it's not that time to take a trade. And also I looked at the heat map, and I was very kind of density of the orders was more than normal, which means like there's a lot of random orders on the book, and I rather not to trade in moments like that because like there's a lot of orders to be filled. So obviously it's going to be a little bit of chop. Yeah, but that's what I was looking at, and you can see ES was kind of following the same trend, and it was a perfect opportunity for an entry.
Very good, very good. That was a trade. That was a trade you were talking about right before we came on, right? You saw the entry.
Yes.
You saw the opportunity. Didn't take it though because we were about to go on air. Is it still a viable setup? Is it still something that you would get into?
Probably not. I'll wait for a
kind of-
pullback. So I still have the bullish mindset, and I'm waiting for a pullback. But the momentum is drying down. Probably you can see this 5-minute
Yep.
candles here. It's a little bit of indecision. Probably I'll wait until something's broken and retest it. I wouldn't do old trader. Me being the old self, I would just keep taking trades in that small chop zone and just like going up. So now I have specific zones. I'll just sit them and wait until that zone is broken. It's a little bit momentum is gone, I guess. You can see there's a value building up on the right side on the tick charts here. Yep. We have a little bit of value building up here, which is great. So probably around 23,597-ish, we have a little bit of low volume area. Probably that could be a good rejection point. Or if we can't hold that, we're going to test the POC around 23,552, I believe.
Very good. Coach Robert, I saw that you liked hearing what Narek just said. What'd you like so much about that? You were clapping your hands.
I was clapping my hands because he said the old Narek would have done this, and it didn't work out for him if the old Narek took it. But the new Narek said, wait a second, something's coming up. The bulls are drying up. I have a long bias. And what did he say right after that? If they're changing, I stepped back. I didn't take it. So he's adapting and going to the market. And I am super impressed. This is not the first time, Narek. I didn't see this on your chart before. But he's now also just looking at his time like he usually does, which he's comfortable with. But then he put the tick charts on there to see what's actually happened at the transaction level. And they did one more. It looks to me that you're using the Fibonacci chart, Fibonacci candles on your tick charts, which is a really nice adaptant because it's showing you when the trades are coming in, because the tick chart is every tick is a transaction that happens buy and a sell. It's not volume, which is why he has a volume profile with the blue things on the left side of his chart. So he has everything covered. He has what's happening in the time frame he likes to look at. He's looking at the tick charts, which shows the type of transaction that's going on, how many of them. He has a volume profile, which shows how much volume is actually at those transactions. And then on the tick chart, he's using a Fibonacci candles, which smooth out the direction and potentially either stop you from getting in too early and stopped out, or potentially holding a little longer than you normally would have. In my opinion, and this isn't for everybody, but for Narek, for his style, for what he does, he's doing this 110% in my eyes the right way. Looking forward to his progress for sure.
Awesome.
I actually learned that. I used to tend to trade the range charts, and unfortunately we don't have it on Topstep X. But you talked about tick charts. It's great, but I added that little bit of tweak of Fibonacci's, because if you see here, it's like a little bit of randomness on smaller NQ. Obviously, that's being the choppy instrument, and I kind of can't deal with the emotion side of it being this choppy, and it just skews my decision making. So I decided to do a little bit of easiness on decision making, and I changed it to Fibonacci here on tick charts.
Very good, very good. Way to mix it up. Way to adapt. That's It's a sign of maturity that usually takes a lot of traders a lot of time to come to. All right, guys. Real quick, we have got our news feed back up, so we're going to pipe in President Trump and see what he's talking about right now. I'm not sure if we missed the meat and potatoes of these announcements, but let's see what he's saying right now.
The history of our country, and despite COVID, we had the strongest economy in the history of our country. And we're going to blow it away this time. I was always good at making a lot of money. And whether it was for myself or whether it was, I like doing it this way better. I mean, I like making it for the country. Our country has been ripped off by friend and foe, nations all over the world ripped off. And the friends have been much worse than the foes for the most part. And they're not ripping us off. We just signed a deal with the European Union. They're paying us essentially $950 billion. Like a signing fee. They're going to buy $750 billion worth of energy. They weren't buying much of our energy there. And they're very smart in doing it. And as you know, Ursula was here a couple of days ago having to do with the people, the leaders that we had a great, people said they've never seen anything like it. Well, we had the leaders of Europe right here in the Oval Office. And she's so happy that she has an agreement. But people aren't ripping us anymore. We're run by, this country is run by smart people now.
Mr. President, in Israel... Two questions. One is about Intel. There have been reports that you're considering taking a stake in Intel. Can you tell
About the 10%?
About the 10%.
Yeah, I met a man. He was a very nice man, and I called for his removal because I saw something by a man named Tom Cotton, a senator from Arkansas. He's a great guy, friend of mine, supporter of mine, big supporter. I'm a supporter of his, too. And he wrote a pretty nasty story about the head of Intel. And I said, well, if that's right, he should resign. And he came in, he saw me, we talked for a while. I liked him a lot. I thought he was very good. I thought he was somewhat a victim, but, you know, nobody's a total victim, I guess. And I said, you know what? I think the United States should be given 10% of Intel. And he said, I would consider that. I said, well, I'd like you to do that because Intel has been left behind, as you know, compared to Jensen and some of our friends, NVIDIA, some of the people and the people in, because Intel should have never been. Intel was the biggest, most powerful chip company in the world. And then they started leaving. And they started going to foreign countries, in particular Taiwan. And if we had a president that would have said, okay, you can go to Taiwan, but we're going to put a 100% tariff or a 200 or 300 or a 500% tariff, anybody that sells into the United States has to pay. They wouldn't have left. They would have never left, and we wouldn't have. So in the meantime, we had people that were, in some cases, good politicians that weren't good on trade. I loved that man, but he was not good on trade. I totally disagreed. He allowed the car industry to be taken out of this country. We lost 50% of our car industry. But that's all coming back. It's all coming back. But if somebody would have said that with Intel would be a giant right now. Now, with that, they've had some bad management over the years, and they got lost. And I said, I think you should pay us 10% of your company. And they said, yes. That's about $10 billion. I don't get it. This comes to the United States of America. And I said, I think it would be good having the United States as your partner. He agreed. And they've agreed to do it. And I think it's a great deal for them. And I think it's a great deal. He walked in wanting to keep his job, and he ended up giving us $10 billion for the United States. So we picked up $10 billion. And we do a lot of deals like that. I'll do more of them. If somebody has, like we have restrictive covenants with Jensen. We have, it's NVIDIA. And to unrestrict the covenant, nothing to do with losing our powers or military or anything, because that I wouldn't do. But there are things you can do that don't affect us, that actually help us. And if we're going to give somebody a free out, a restricted covenant, we have a strong restrictive covenant on certain industries. And I will absolutely give somebody a opening on a restrict to do a lot of business, which is good for us, as long as it doesn't hurt us in a security or military way. And if I do that, I think the country should be paid, because anybody else, I have it in real estate where I'll have a deal with somebody and I'll have them restrictive covenant. Then they'll come back and they'll say, I'd love to be able to build over here, but I'm not allowed to because you have me covered, you have me restricted. I say, I'll let you build over there, but pay me a lot of money. No different. But the country never did it because the country was run by foolish people.
On TV 5, when you said Chicago might.
How about that, guys?
Are you making? Have there been concrete steps that the administration is taking?
Oh, what was that? I heard Powell. Let's turn it up.
I haven't spoken to them. He's grossly incompetent. I haven't spoken to the mayor. No. When we're ready, we'll go in and we'll straighten out Chicago, just like we did D.C. Chicago is very dangerous. Great place. I built great stuff there. I have the most beautiful building in Chicago, I think. But I hate to see what's happened to Chicago.
I live in Chicago.
Was
All
a
right,
dirty
anyway.
city, actually.
Federal government throwing their hat in the ring,
Friend of mine
taking a
passed away.
percentage of
He's down
Intel.
very successful.
Now with skin in the game, getting into the tech race, what are they going to do with Intel? Coach Robert, you keep up on this story at all? What do you think the end game is here?
Yeah, I watched a little bit of it, but I watched it for a different reason, JD, and it's definitely not political interest of mine. And I mean, just to say it right out, I don't really care one way or the other for the most part. As long as things are going better, we get things done, right? So it really doesn't. I don't follow it too much, but we just basically, I'm a trader, and we go, okay, great. Oh, so and so is going to speak at this point. It doesn't necessarily need to be Trump or Powell or something. It could be anybody that's going to move the markets. And like we talked with the VIP team, it's like, okay, we're going to back out because that is a potentially bad time to trade. So with 22 hours we can trade, we're just going to remove the worst possible times to trade. The open, when you have events, FOMC, things like that. It's just very statistically better. Just hands off, stop, give it 15 or 20 minutes, and get back into it again. Remember, there's people in different time zones, traders all over the world. So sometimes they see it, sometimes they don't. You wake up and say, what happened overnight? But if it's night for us, it might be morning for them, and they already know it. Just like, hang on, we got something coming out here. Good news, bad news. Like the person, don't like them. Like politics, don't. Whatever side you're on, it still moves the market, and that's really all we care about. Not really what moved the market, but that moved the market. And keep the opinions out, keep the bias out of it, and work off of the numbers and statistics. And it really does make a difference. And if that's all you have to do to make yourself a better trader, is to not trade through like these couple little things that happen during each day, it's well worth just sitting on your hands, as so to speak. I think Nara can attest to that. We've done this quite a bit.
Yep, I couldn't agree more with you, Coach Robert. Well said. Thank you for that answer. All right, Eric, we got a couple minutes left here. Who's out there watching you? Who did you tell that you were going to be on TV today? Who do you want to say hi to? This is your chance. What's going on over there?
Going to be my parents, my brother, my girlfriend, and a couple of friends. Always supported me, and I think this is a journey that you need support. You need people who encourage you, and especially with VIP, that's one of kind of the privileges that you get, because everyone's, no matter how your style is, what you do, what market you trade, still there's support, and people are there to help you, make you kind of understand what mistakes that you have and what you do wrong and how to get better. Yeah, I love that. Mostly what we do in the VIP, it's about progress, encouragement, and support.
Well said. Well said. Looking forward to checking back in on your progress in the coming weeks. We're going to have to get you back on after we start collecting some data after trading starts. This weekend, guys, Sunday. If you are on a Topstep VIP team, if you got drafted in the last draft a couple weeks ago, check your inbox. You got an email today, or you should have gotten an email. Check your spam if it's not in your inbox. Coach Robert, we got 2 minutes left. What do you want to say to the rest of the technical titans before we wrap this up?
Well, we're starting. It's 12:53 Central Time. Our meeting starts at 1 o'clock, and they know they will not be late for the meeting because they know I always have something to say about that. Well, but as far as the team goes, you know, we're really focused. We did a lot of work. They did a lot of work. A lot of questions, a lot of adjustments, a lot of adapting. We're just ready to go. And those who are ready to go and trade the style of the Asia, I'm sure they'll be taking the trades Sunday night or Sunday morning, whatever it is in their time zone, because that fits their strategy, their style, and their plan. And for those that it doesn't, we'll be taking the trades, following their plan, following their process, and just playing the numbers. If you're looking at it, it's really makes it. And in my opinion, Eric, if you want to agree or disagree.
Oh no! Our next guest came in and booted Robert out of here with a minute to go. No big deal. That's all right. Eric, it's me and you. We're gonna have to cover this. You ready? Start talking. Go.
Got it.
That was a joke, my
All
man. That's cool. Eric, I want to thank you for coming on Topstep TV. Good luck to you in your VIP experience. We're going to be checking back in with you in a couple weeks to see how everything's going. Looking forward to checking in on the progress of all of our VIP teams. It's going to be great. All right, folks, we're going to step aside. We've got Top Quiz coming up next. I see Brooke in the green room. She and Jack are going to come in here. Oh, there he is. What's up, Robert? He made it back.
Just something I don't know where it cut off. Forward to it, JD. Keep it short. We just technical approach. You know, put your plan together, follow your process, take the trade, don't take the trade, get out of it. It's not working. There's going to be another one coming around. So I'm going to see all of our team here in just a few minutes. And Narek, thanks for coming on. JD, thanks for having me back. It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, Robert. Thanks for joining us today. Our pleasure, Narek. And again, good luck to you. We'll be checking in with you very soon. All right, folks, we're going to step aside. Like I said, Top Quiz coming up next. Then we've got our man. He's in the chat. VWAP George is here for Back to the Futures. Make sure you stick around for that one. Andre and I are going to be talking through some trades with VWAP George. Looking forward to it. All right, we're going to step aside and let the quiz commence. All right, guys. Topstep TV. Let's go.
And an even quarter bid, half bid, the orders bid, even bid. Now I'm a seller. Quarter, half, the orders, and even.
2.
Hello, everybody out there. Welcome to Top Quiz for this Friday, August 22nd. I am Jack, and I am joined by Brooke. Brooke, how's it going?
Great. Happy Friday, Jack. How are you?
I'm doing well, except that I was just saying in the green room, after this, me and Hoag have to go get some pictures taken, and they're going to do hair and makeup. And, it'll be exciting. We'll see how those turn out.
You know what we used to call
Oh,
those back in the days? You're getting your glamour shots done.
I am. Maybe we'll have
Yeah,
Hoag do like the
like
prom
like a feather
picture
boa
with me.
and a
Yeah,
leather
with a
jacket
little
type thing. Yes.
carnation putting on. Anyway, this is Top Quiz. You guys know how to sign up, but if you don't, just click the link and follow the instructions at the top of the chat. There'll be 4 multiple choice questions. Speed is rewarded for the leaderboard, and the top 5 people with the most points, plus 20 randomly selected folks that get 3 or more right, will be entered for an extra entry into season 4 of Topstep VIP. The questions today, Brooke, some of them reward having viewed the show earlier. I think only one of them borders on unfair, but ultimately all the
Okay.
questions asked are fair. All right. So we got
Nice.
Jerome Pelosi Smith. Who is Brooke? Hey, for people that don't watch, Brooke, who are you?
Hi, I'm Brooke. I am the director of our learning and development here at Topstep. So I've been with the company for 3 years and just been behind the scenes.
There you go. Brooke's
Making the
been
magic
on
happen.
Top Quiz many a time. So
Yeah, yeah.
there we go. We'll just give a few more seconds. Who's in last here? Rufus King, Trader X. I am him. Rachel Runderledge. Okay, let's get this started. Let me just quickly check in. Doesn't look okay. Doesn't look like the markets are moving too much. Trading 64.90 right now in the ES. Still within striking distance of that high of the day. And with that, we are going to get this started in 3, 2, 1. Kahoot.
Kahoot.
Kahoots. And your first question coming right up. As discussed this morning on opening call, today, August 22nd, is National Blank Day. Is it National Potato Day, White Pants Day, Gin and Tonic Day, or Plant Milk Day?
Ooh. Is there such thing as an official G&T day? Because that would be perfect on a Friday. But
Yeah.
I'm going to go with plant milk.
Yes. Beat the buzzer there. Yes, indeed. It is National Plant Milk Day. National Potato Day was some other day this week. So sorry for that. August 22nd. For me, Brooke, National Gin and Tonic Day is around Labor Day. I think I've told this
Okay.
story before, but my mom frowns upon. She thinks it's only barbarians would not drink brown liquor after Labor Day. Probably a lot to unpack there.
I've been to Vegas with you, Jack, so I know, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Rizzlers in first. Brooke number 1, 67. Dude, I think they're making fun of so I used to mispronounce dachshund. I used to call them dachshunds. And this is a dachshund and scalpy. Okie dokie. Let's go for number 2. This could be problematic. Assuming the Earth is in fact round, what is the circumference of our planet? Is it 7,900 miles, 16,500 miles, 24,900 miles, or 32,300 miles around the globe?
Oh, I'm going to go 24,900.
You are correct. Yes.
Nice.
It is 24,900. You'll like that I put in the freedom units and the kilometers for our audience. So looks like a lot of you knew that. Richard Harris abstained. There's a debate in this chat that I don't want to get started again on whether the Earth is round. But believe whatever makes you feel right. Let's see who's on top here. Scalpy, 67, Big Fork Builder, a number of bumblebees, and Trader X. Okay, 2 for 2, Brooke.
Here we go.
See question number 3. The OGs here will know. Where did Andre go to college? Yes, he did actually go. University of Nebraska, Yale, University of Kansas, or University Sorbonne.
Oh, I don't know where Andre
Where
went
did
to
Andre go?
college. I mean,
Well,
I
he didn't go
know.
to Yale, I'll tell you that much.
And yeah, I'll say Nebraska. Because of the commonality.
Oh, so close.
Man, I always wanted to go to Kansas.
In case it's a future question, MP went to Ohio State. He just likes Nebraska. Sorry, not Ohio State, Iowa State.
Iowa State, yeah.
Andre's
It's football.
is a
right?
Jayhawk. Yes. Andre went to the University of. Oh, Andre's in the chat.
Sorry,
Wow.
Andre. My
What was
bad.
it? Sorry, Kansas is a good school. Top Big Fork Builder jumps in the first. Yo Pops, we had him on TV the other day, assuming that is him. Trader X, Mojo Jojo, and Thunder Trades. One more question, and Brooke, I warn that this is the one that maybe borders on unfair,
Okay.
but it's not unfair. Also, the reason I'm asking it is something that Powell mentioned in his Jackson Hole speech today. And here we go. The observed inverse relationship between the unemployment rate and inflation rate is visualized by what curve? Is that the Laffer curve, the Hubbard curve, the Phillips curve, or the Hoagland curve?
Well, I would go with the Hoagland curve, but I'm going to go Laffer. Let's see what I got
All
there.
right, let's see. It is the Phillips curve. So you're close. The Laffer curve is taxes. It's like the optimal level of taxation. But Brooke, 3 for 4, you would. Oh, 2 for 4, actually.
2
So
for
you
4,
would
yeah.
not qualify.
No, I would
for
not.
a
And
entry
listen,
into
I
the
get my head.
VIP.
You had a lot of yellow answers today. 3 in a row. Let's space those out.
Yes. I would totally be one of those teachers that made like a 50 multiple choice test with all the questions B just to see who freaks
Straight
out.
down the line, right?
Here we go. Our winners for today on the podium, 3rd place. Got Trader X, the mysterious Trader X. Yo Pops. And in 1st place, we have Big Fork Builder. By the way, GK Design. Oh, Nelly Trades. One of those universities on there was in Paris. So I did go international. All right. There are your winners today. Brooke, thank you so much for stopping by today. Always a pleasure. We look forward to seeing a lot more out of the newly established, right? Is it a learning and development
Learning
department?
and development. Yep. So newly established, and we are in charge of just onboarding and bringing everyone closer to Topstep's mission here.
Awesome. Well, Brooke is heading out right now, as am I, to go get my glamour shots taken with Hoag. But stick around because we still got the all-ladies reversal challenge extravaganza at 2. But first, I believe we have one of our very good friends of TopstepTV, VWAP George, coming up next. He'll be joined by Kansas alum Andre and JD. Stick around. This is TopstepTV. We'll be right back.
And an even quarter bid, half bid, the orders bid, even bid. Now I'm a seller, quarter, half, the orders, and even.
this guy, the man in the middle. You know him, you love him, you see him in the chat all the time. Also see him at Trader Meetups, VWAP. George in the house. Welcome back to the futures. George, what's happening, my man? Good to see you.
Thanks for having me, man. Crazy day. Looking forward to this game tonight.
Here we go. Here we go. Yes, indeed. Let's take a look at some of these prices and throw it to JD. Last trade in the ES, 64.87. About 9 points off the highs there. Yes, Daniel says, view up, George. What up? Let's take a look at NASDAQ, 23,604. Gold about $3 off the highs, trading 34.19, 34.19. Crude just chilling, $63.76. JD. All right, George, any prices of interest real quick, and then I'll throw it to JD. What do you got your eye on here, George?
Yeah, so I have this anchored VWAP from New York Open. Man, I mean, if you look at the 5 minute, look at this. Look at this wick down to that VWAP. That's crazy, right? That's like the perfect entry. So you go to the 1 minute. I do have this anchored VWAP from that swing low coming down here, and we'll see what it does. Got a little bit of resistance, old resistance, new support maybe. Of course, this is the 1 minute chart, and it's been kind of a crazy day. So I'll keep an eye at this level at 23,584-ish. See what it does there.
23,584. Roger that. Last trade, 23,601. What's up, JD? Thoughts on the moves today? Any prices you
Thoughts
got your
on the
eye
moves?
George, 584.
First thought, I was you actually caught me looking up spots where I'm gonna go watch that game at tonight, George. For all of those not in the know, George is from Kansas City. Andre and I are in Chicago, and the Bears are playing the Chiefs tonight. Final preseason game. Bears are looking good preseason. I don't want to jinx it, but we're gonna win.
It's gonna be fun.
We're gonna win.
We got this. Yep.
All right. I just pulled up that MNQ chart. I've been looking at the ES all day, but as far as NASDAQ goes, we're in a nice little channel ever since those moves started after the Fed speech earlier. So you might call this a sideways trend. It's just barely sloping downwards, but let's just call it a range for now. We're at the upper end of this range, so opportunities for shorts are on the cheap side right now, going to the close. I'm not adverse.
Cheap shorts.
Making a little move here.
Short, it would be. Looks like it might.
So check this out for confluence. You got that
George.
anchored VWAP from the New York session, right? Or the New York Open. If you take little fib, do the little IB high, IB low.
Okay.
See this 25%? This is exactly why Barron uses anchored VWAP. So it breaks the IB high, comes back down, hits the 25% right at VWAP. I guarantee you he was thinking about going long if he didn't.
What price was that?
Yeah.
That was right at the 25% mark was at 23,525.
Okay, 525.
So confluence, right?
Marking it down. Yeah,
Confluence,
right.
Indeed.
What's going to take to get into a trade here? That's the question.
Good question, indeed. Might be rolling over a little bit. 23,600. We're stuck at in the Nasdaq, and we got to get into the 90s. Maybe we get some push to the downside. Look at tilt, 67% short in the ES. Nothing really jumping off the page just yet. Take a look at the ES ladder, JD. I'm not seeing some big orders either. George, you see anything on the NASDAQ ladder? Two up, two on the bid, two on the ask.
Yeah.
We got about
There's about 270 offered at 6,500. Big fat round number. That's about as heavy as it's getting in the ES. 6,500.
Move first here. ES or the NASDAQ? ES might be taking a peek to the downside here, JD. Buyers might step back in. Again, will we get to all-time highs in the ES today? All-time highs. That price is 65.08 and 3/4. In 3/4, we're about 20 points away from that, 25 points away from that. We'll see. as we get into the end of the trading week. Now
Mhm.
George has his eye on 23,584. We're closing in on it right now.
It's like it's going to get there.
Here
Yeah.
it comes. 587 on your Top Step daily levels is what is that number? 23.5. Last week's low. We're coming up on last week's low in the NQ right now.
587. Okay. Hey, day.
Are you guys into automation at all?
Not so much.
Well, why do you ask?
What's the question?
If we,
Well,
if we, if
I've been
worked.
I've been playing around with it like quite a bit,
Okay.
and I've been. It's one of those things where I find myself strategy hopping again, and so
Mhm.
I'm going through combines like left and right, but it's like worth it in the end. I think you know what I mean. It's like today I had an automation on, and yeah, during today, like for the open, that's just really dumb to have it in a combine instead of a practice account. It's just stuff like that. So
Testing.
it's really like it's like I'm strategy
Gotta choose
hopping
your-
again and making silly mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah. You got to choose your battles. Do you find when you're going
Yeah.
through the automation process, are you going back to old strategies, old simple strategies that you used to use
Yeah.
just to practice the automation skills and then putting them back to work to see if anything happens? Are you burning through
You know-
combines doing that too?
Yeah, and I know it's silly. It's just
Practice accounts, George.
I should be using more practice accounts than combines. But yeah, you almost have to start basic and then kind of add to it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you're just going to get syntax errors all over the place anyway. If you just have to,
Right.
you just have to weed through all that stuff. So it's a lot of
Yeah,
fun. I can't, when they're ready to go, it's going to be great.
Very good.
GD,
Yeah, I imagine
GD,
though the
opening
learning
range.
curve there is say again?
No, I said the opening range
up, Trey?
trade. The opening range trade. You do an opening call. Could that be automated?
Absolutely.
Yes, we've been talking with Coach Robert about that quite a bit. We're gonna start getting those out, and we're gonna take the human element out of those very soon. No more human error on execution. It's gonna be straight automation going forward. We'll be able to tweak it to whatever time frame, contract size, that type of thing. But we are putting the puzzle pieces together right now, so
Love
should be
it.
coming.
Good stuff. Again, opening
Just
range
kissed,
trades. Opening call. Yeah, we did. 87s, right?
Just kissed that last week's low. 23,587. How you feeling here, George? Oh, back to the API.
I'm really
Yeah,
liking it, and it right off that VWAP.
Nice.
Let's see here. See what it does. I almost
The
wanted to
learning
go
curve of
through it
getting into-
like 580 and then go back up through. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Grab a little liquidity and then move back up
Yeah.
into the range again. Yeah, that's the ideal setup. You don't want to be liquidity. You want to see liquidity get taken
Right.
out.
That's right.
I mean, I'm not
Yes,
the only
like-
one seeing this for sure, right?
Right. You always got to assume there's eyes on everything that you're watching. We're not the only players in this game.
100%. Trying to grind lower here in the NASDAQ. Take a look at the ladder. All right, we're into the 80s again. 23,589. See what happens when we get to these 87s. George, if we get down to those 84s, what are you looking for? Perhaps taking a trade.
Well, I don't know if I'm going to make it there. I think I'm just going to end like 3
Really?
micros here.
You just got in? What'd you do?
Yeah. I got 591 at 3 micros.
591. VWAP George,
Okay.
long, 591. 3 micro and Q.
Let's go.
Nice trade.
What's your upside target on something on this trade?
I have it at 610. I'm going to move my stop down to right around 11 points or so. So right around 579.
79, upside is 610. Little
Nice
range
entry.
trade here.
Good snipe.
200 lot.
What'd you say, Andre?
Upside. 200 lot upside in the NASDAQ offered 200 times 23,595, and the orders offered 200 times.
595 in the orders.
Hold.
Nothing on the micro side there.
Actually, came down. It actually came down to 590, and that offer was lifted.
Was it?
It was. Okay. Yeah. Came at 97, then came down to 590 filled. See if there's another push here to the upside. Anything on the ES? Little size starting to jump in here.
I feel like I should have, if I was going to get in on this, I might have missed that. Might have missed our chance on that last dip.
I mean, George was talking 84s and 87s, but he's like getting in this thing. So
Trigger figure action.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
It's all right. It's all right.
100%.
JD, you usually trade on the 5 minute, 1 minute?
I switch around depending on the environment that we're in. Like right now, I'm looking at a 5 minute. It's a little bit slower. I could go down to a 1 minute just to speed things up a bit. Also, I haven't put on a NASDAQ trade in quite a few weeks. I've been mostly focused on the ES because it's been moving enough, you know?
Yeah.
So I gotta get back into that mindset of being quick on the trigger with the NQ, just because it moves so quick. Let's take a look at the 1 minute, see what it looks like.
I'll move my TP up. I'm going to take one off at the 600s.
Okay. Now long 2. Nice entry there. Long from 591. Last trade, 23,601. George, you're looking for an upside of 23,610. Are you working an offer, or how do you manage this?
Yeah, I'm just aiming for the highs here, but I noticed. I mean, we've had some chop around the 600s, so I thought I'd take one off, and I had my full take profit at 610. I was like, well, it could go higher here. I don't know if I want to like exit the whole position. Maybe I'll take a little profit off while it's up here, and then kind of let it ride, take off some risk, and hope that it keeps going up.
Would you hold a runner or cover it all up at the top of the range there?
Entry.
Would you hold for a breakout?
I'd probably hold a runner today. I mean, who knows where it's going to go, right?
Agree.
And it's a cheap trade too. I mean, I'm in 3 micros. I'm risking 11.5 points right now. I mean, if you're not holding a runner with 2 or 3 micros after taking one off, it's
very true.
I think it's just best to do, you know.
That's exactly why you took a little profit there. So your average price of entry moved down just a little bit. What are you long from now?
591.
Still? Okay.
Yeah.
RJ says market has been done after Powell. Good night, RJ. May not be done just yet. Can we get to all-time highs, RJ? RJ, I'm asking you, can we get to all-time highs in the ES? 20 points away from that. And in the bottom of the hour here, we got VWAP George in the house. What's up,
RJ?
JD? Yep.
What the hell are we even doing here, RJ? Come on.
Well, we got
Markets
this.
are done.
Doom Lord closing his short on that low.
Nice. Entry there.
Doom Lord still sticking around. Bell to bell for Doom.
Yeah, right. A little sell off in crude here. Down about 20 cents in this 5 minute candle, trading $63.66.
I did have a question in chat. This anchored VWAP, it's from this swing low way back here at 11:57 Central at around 5:14.
Real quick, why do they call you VWAP George? What quote are you famous for?
All roads lead to VWAP, and I like to make people laugh every now and again. I think that think that's most of it.
That's it. That's all.
Coin that phrase right here in the Topstep TV chat, folks.
That's right.
That that phrase was coined right here. All roads
Yeah.
lead to VWAP. Beautiful.
RJ says, nope, we're not making that NQES, RJ, but I feel you. All right, bottom of the hour is coming down. We got VWAP George Long from 2 micros from 23,591. All right, let's see how this plays out. That being said, we got, oh man, the comebacks. We're all about that here at Topstep. Some of the best trading you can do is getting that going from the red just to the green ever so slightly. Just a scratch works as well. So we're getting Gabe here. Who is on jab? Who fought their way out of this thing, Gabe?
And we got some traders coming on here. Shout out to everybody coming back day after day. Today was a rough day for some and a good day for others. So I always want to highlight there's two sides of the coin. So I know we see a lot of green typically on these jabs, but there's always another side to that. So we got Let Me Hold a Dollar, man. Love the name. 6-0 for $269 on 1 micro. I feel like I've gained the edge on personal strategy, rule discipline. My gambling gene is fading, finally. Profitable strategies are easy, but patience and discipline hates me. Good job, obviously, chipping away and getting better. We got Yuri made 12K today and now sitting with my $15,000 balance in the XFA, requesting my first ever max payout. Shout out to Yuri. Congrats. We got Daniel. Man, I just sat down to trade and as I usually do, went to lock my risk settings. Had a brain fart, locked myself out for trading for the entire day. I put this one in here just because I've been there myself. But honestly, you might have preserved yourself from running into a red day on a Friday. So go into the weekend with some peace of mind. And, you missed the major move of the day and it might be better to just take the weekend and an extra day. We got Doom Lord. Speaking of Doom, he was down 750 this morning coming out of fast markets, now down 300. He's in one more trade. I think if I just heard correctly, he might be getting out of that position. Thinking about nap time. Shout out to Doom. We got Wildfire. I'm up $330 locking out for the day. Great job to everybody. If we missed you, we see you. And we appreciate you sharing your experience with us. But back to you guys.
Thank you, Gabe. Well done, Doom. Always on the comeback, always grinding. Jab. All right, George. Trade's still valid. Keep coming up
I
against
mean,
the
if it gets back
600s.
down there, do I add more?
I mean, that's a
In
question,
range.
right?
Mm-hmm. 64.85 last trade in ES. Jumping off on the ladder there. NASDAQ, we got a 40 lot down there. It's 23,580. About 20 points from there. See if we can get this thing cooking here. About 30 minutes in. Back to the futures. JD, we still have a little housekeeping. Hot streaks. What else do we have? If we're good to go, to see those that are hot.
Yeah, let's take a look at
in
the
zone.
We just got busy earlier,
Powell, thanks.
Take a look and see how our XFA hot streak traders are doing. Got some big ones on here still. Vi still at the top, trading the MNQ. $207 trading the MNQ yesterday. Vi's now on a 46-day heater worth $14,700. Big shout out to Vi hanging in there every day, putting together some decent sized numbers. Cedric V also hanging around. 38 days or $17,039. Picked up another $400 trading the micro Nasdaq. Jay, our hot streaks XFA hot streak P&L leader, $43,500 on this 34-day ripper. $161 trading the MNQ yesterday. One of Jay's smaller days, but still just enough to hang out on the hot streaks list for another day. Jonathan R, 30 days worth $9,462. Picked up $240 trading the micro Nasdaq. And Marcelo, our lone crude oil trader, 27 days on this hot streak worth $8,627. Made just over $200 trading crude yesterday. Those are the XFA hot streaks. Give me a few minutes to load up the live streaks. We'll go over those. Just a few.
Jay up 43,000. Well done. Not easy.
43 grand.
One day.
Let's get the wrist and take a look at that guy.
There it is. Absolutely. Grinding a little higher here, George. 23,607.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Looking real good.
Let's see, get this push here.
What was my original profit target 610, right? And I moved it
610?
up.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm
We got
ready
an
for this
offer
next
up just
meetup
underneath.
too.
Oh yeah. They're only going to get better, bigger and better, right, George? It was fun though.
100%.
That's right.
We had a great time in the last one.
You guys buddied up, right? So you guys some elbows on the bar,
You did.
hanging out.
One party ended, and we
Absolutely.
started another party right down the street.
I got a quick Delta update for you. Delta in the ES plus 16,000. You're convicted on these buying and plus 2,200 in the NASDAQ. So there is conviction in this. 7 points off the highs in the ES.
Look at that 610. Damn.
Did trade.
That's funny.
Held right there, huh? 10,
Did.
10 and a half, high in the micro.
If we can get past it.
You might be able to. This Delta is interesting.
Say
Go.
what's can you repeat the delta?
Go.
What's it looking like right now?
NASDAQ plus 2,200 in the ES plus 16,000.
16,000. All right.
Here we go. 22,614 trades in the NASDAQ.
We're approaching this upper channel line again in the NQ. We get a breakout here.
Right.
Another ad might be well, I'm not in a trade, so I'm not going to talk about adding to it. But
George definitely full of the idea. Nice read there. Still on.
Thanks, man.
Are you working anything to the upside here? What do you got? I see.
I got a
price?
sell limit at 622, just at that swing high, and then I just moved my profit target up. I don't know if it's going to get there or not. I just didn't want it to spike up and lose out on a little bit of money. You know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely. And this thing.
And I don't think I want to take a loss on this either, so I'm just going to do the whole break even thing. If Nick Dolby's watching, you're welcome, buddy.
Go Dolby time.
Yeah, you already had your retest. I think you're good for a minute.
Working those 622s to the upside. High day in the NASDAQ, 23,650. We're looking at a 450-point range in the NASDAQ today. 23,205, high of 23,650. ES with about 100-point range. Call it low in the ES, 63.98, high of 64.96. All-time highs, 65.08. Can we get there by end of day? George is long right now in the money in the NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, and we are grinding higher here.
Nice. We got official
It's
settlement.
so funny. You don't get any
oil.
heat when you don't put on size, you know?
It is funny how that
Something
works,
to
isn't it?
Something to that. You got a settle price for me?
We've got official settlement price in crude oil. Crude settled about 8 minutes ago, 1:30 p.m. Central Time. October contract, $63.66 a barrel. Official settlement price. Up 14 cents, up 0.22% on the day.
Thank you. Last trade, 63.77. Look at the tilt, 50-50 across the board. Nothing on the headlines for now. We all clear going into the weekend. Don't forget, we got NVIDIA earnings next week. It just does not stop. Markets and Topstep and TopstepTV. Be so kind, click subscribe. 178,000 subscribers. Please click subscribe. So click that bell in the upper right-hand corner. We really appreciate that. At the 603s. I'm just going to hold it here. Again, we got the reversal challenge. After this, Anne-Marie, Mandy, Dr. V.
It's going to be intense.
That's going to be epic.
Yep. Who's going to take the crown?
I hope they all rested up for it.
Some aggressive ladies, too.
I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to keep up. We'll see how that goes. So if we get a little volatility in the Nasdaq, again, practice accounts only, just for a little entertainment to take us into the weekend. What a wild week, George. How'd you trade this week?
Not very good. I mean, but again, it's not like I'm not myself because of the automation stuff, and I know that.
Sure.
So I really need to take a step back, really trade on practice for the automation, and then carve out from maybe open to 11 o'clock Central to trade a little bit and get back to being a little bit more disciplined. To be honest.
Yeah.
What if you
We got a
tested,
little sidetracked.
Asian session?
We got a little sidetracked talking about your the learning curve for the API stuff. How long have you been
Yeah.
how long have you been testing it out, writing little sample pieces? What's the
Well,
what's
I
the
mean,
story there?
I've coded before. I just never liked it. I was a system engineer
Mhm.
for Northrop Grumman for a decade, and I never really liked coding, but I could do it. It's just so boring.
Yeah.
But I love trading, and to automate a strategy, I mean, come on, that's awesome. So
Yeah.
I've been doing it for a couple months, so I think I have like 3 or 4 strategies like almost done. They're all almost done. You have to like tweak them and just keep going. So
They get you there.
yeah, sure did.
Big on the stop. Yeah.
Back to entry. So still profitable trade. Nice risk
I
management
might get back
there.
in.
Okay.
So on a scale
It
of 1 to
does.
10, 1 being an opening range breakout trade, and 10 being the most sophisticated algorithmic trading system out there, where would you say you're at on the scale?
If opening range breakout trade was a
Say
1, I'd
if
say
the
I'm at
opening
like a
if you're
3
coding
out of
in
10.
okay, gotcha.
I'd be like at a 3. I'm not trying to I'm not doing footprint charts and stuff like that yet. You know what I mean?
Hmm. Yeah. Are you utilizing AI at all to help you out with the coding?
A little bit, but hey guys, it's not there yet. I mean, it will help you, but don't expect it to do it for you. And then as a matter of fact, like do
Good point.
this. Come up with a simple script, give it to one AI, and then give it to another, and then see those errors, and then chances are they're both a little bit right and a little bit wrong.
Interesting. It's very interesting.
I'm gonna test this little lower bound of the range here. 23,593. ES 6484. Now 83's trade. Keep an eye on that.
I usually don't
delta.
like the
Again,
second test, but we'll see what it
yeah.
does. It might just blow right through it, or I might get my 580.
Yeah, we did get down to what 87s or so in this
Yeah.
Back to the Futures with VWAP George. See him in the chat all the time. Man, the myth, the legend. Met him in Chicago back in June.
It's gonna be so
Yeah,
fun.
you'll have to come in for more than a night next time, George.
Absolutely. Hey, I'm bringing the wife, so
Oh, this
Ooh,
is VWAP
now it's a
George.
party.
I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be more shots or less. Who knows?
Stay tuned
We'll have to get to
find-
the we'll have to get the whole group together the night before or something, or the night after,
Yeah, that sounds great.
and head out to the poker room or something.
That'd be great too. I'm actually heading to Vegas on Monday.
Oh, really? What's the plan?
Play
Maybe I'll
cards.
look up some old Topstep alumni, if you know what I mean.
Ah, yeah. Very cool. Where are you staying? Well, you don't have to say it. You staying on the strip? You don't have to say
I mean,
the
they're big
hotel.
casinos. I don't know. Caesars.
enough.
There you go.
There you go. That's a very big one. Indeed. All right. Got time to VWAP George joining us here. Back to the Futures. JD, got to see those hot streaks if we're good to go.
We are good to go. You want to see them?
LFA, oh, yeah. Huge numbers from some of our LFA traders. We'll talk about that after this, but let's see those hot streaks, JD.
Very decent numbers from our live funded traders here. These are the top 5 live funded trader hot streaks. Up at the top, Ian. Oh, yes, Ian still sticking around. 15 days now for Ian, $9,486 on this heater. Picked up another $400 trading the MNQ yesterday. Rodney, 8 days were $6,029. Picked up $400 trading the MNQ also. Brian B, 7 days were $13,178. Brian B had a big day yesterday, $4,843 trading on the NASDAQ. Big day for Brian B in the live funded account. Christopher, 5 days worth $1,078. Pretty consistent, making $200 a day trading the MNQ. And Mohammed, 5 days worth $15,851. Made $350 trading the NASDAQ yesterday. Very nice numbers coming from our live funded traders there. George, did you get back in the market just now?
I did.
Heard that, JD.
I actually got a bad fill, but I mean, it's only a couple points off where I was, so no big deal.
You go to the market
risking 10
on your
points,
entries?
little 1-to-1.
Do you use market orders for entries, or is it a limit order?
Yeah, I usually click join bid.
Join bid, yeah. I like the join
What about
bid
you,
for the NASDAQ also.
Is that what you do?
For the
JD?
NQ, join bid is my favorite. NQ join bid is definitely my favorite button. Join bid, join ask.
Yep.
I hate it when it goes without you, though. That's the worst.
That's what the market
get
button
in.
is for. But yeah, it costs a little bit more to go to
Slippage
market.
is-
Yeah.
Yeah.
The slip, if you're trading more than a 5 lot, the slippage is going to kill you in the NQ when it's moving around.
Hey, we were talking about some of our live funded traders and the big numbers. A lot of green we're seeing today, right, as well. But first, shout out to Braden. Braden up about $9,100 today. We got, wow, look at this. We got Shao up 26,000, Chi up 19,000, James up 16,000, Guan up 18,000, another 17,000, another 17,000, 13,000 as well. Antonio with 13,000. Big numbers being put up today. That was tricky. Sure, there's obviously some red in there as well. Definitely was opportunity. That's why you stay patient. There's your downside risk throughout the week. Hopefully catch the big one like we did today. So we'll see. George, you're back in, same price?
Right around there, 596.
Okay.
See if we can get up there.
Looking good so far.
Yeah.
Little pop in the ES 6487, that positive delta. You are convicted.
Andre, what are you trading, man? Micro Bitcoin? What are you doing?
I don't know anything about that. ES is good for me, man. ES, not as much slippage in the ES. It moves a little cleaner. You can hang in the trade for a little longer. You know, got 100 on the bid, 100 on the ask. And sneak a couple 1 and 2 lots in and out. I know the NASDAQ is the fan favorite here. Topstep. I think it why volatility.
It's great when it goes your way.
It sure is. Ain't nothing like
Right?
it.
Makes it a lot more fun.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Just like get
Powell
there.
started
You know?
talking. Yeah, when Powell started talking, the NASDAQ popped 350 points. I mean, I get it. ES popped 40 points. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I get it.
The only thing that didn't move was crude oil, which happened to be
Not a
the
bit.
position we were in at the time in the house account. Did you add, or did you get out of one?
George is in.
I got out of 3 at the 08, like that.
Nice trade. 607. 607 last trade. ID 650. 50-50 on the tilt. Take a peek at the wire. Nothing. It is quiet for now. I don't know what's going to happen in the last hour of trading. That's why we do the reversal challenge after this.
Whew.
George, let's see if we
These
can
girls
get
are going to make me
winner
look
here.
real bad.
I mean,
I don't know, man.
Ouch.
You're carving it up right now. You
Yes,
are
you
looking
are.
all right. Add into that P&L late on a Friday. That's a good sign.
I like that.
Good
Yeah,
way
what's
to
your
close out the
P&L at
week.
now, George? Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh, it's at 539. Realized.
Sweet. All right. Quick $100 here on Back to the Futures.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Only ES.
Great
only
for a
ES,
50K
no-
combine. I mean,
Yeah.
if I was watching somebody else trade, I'd tell them to lock it up. So
And here you are carving it up. I like it. Pretty quiet right now. A couple more minutes on back. They like your chart setup, by the way, George. I'm seeing that in chat. Very clean, they're saying.
oh, thanks.
On that.
Yeah, I'm colorblind, so I go with the white and red.
Is that true?
Rather than the yeah.
Really?
Let me ask you something. How do you find out you're colorblind?
I was in elementary school and they gave me that flip book thing, and I didn't see any of the whatever was in there, the numbers. I think
Yeah.
and so
Ah.
and it's really kind of crazy because people are like, well, how does that work? Well, how many colors have red and green in them? So like blue and purple look the same because I can't see the red. Does that make sense?
Interesting.
Orange
yeah.
and yellow look the same. Yeah.
Wow.
Stuff like that. It's kind of weird.
So traffic
you go.
lights.
That's what I was gonna say.
You just know that top is red,
Yeah,
middle is yellow.
that's right.
bottom is
And if
green.
it's
yeah.
if it's like one of those single blinking lights, if I'm by myself, I usually kind of stop because I don't know if it's yellow or red.
Yeah.
All gas, no brakes. All right, keep managing this trade. A couple more minutes, but we do want to get caught up. On earlier from today about big news. Bring in the clip because it's really good to get caught up on this stuff. Cam, bring that in. We got it. Good to go. Oh, thank you.
Canada just announced that it's removing tariffs on some American goods. On Friday, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney said that he's lifting retaliatory tariffs placed on an extensive list of American products. The move takes effect September 1st and will apply to goods that comply with the United States-Mexico-Canada agreement. However, the 25% tariff placed on American steel and aluminum, as well as tariffs on American cars, will stay in place. The announcement comes after Carney spoke with President Donald Trump on Thursday. Carney said that he and Trump will continue discussions to address current trade issues in key sectors. The White House praised Carney's decision as, quote, long overdue.
Oh, yep. Sounds bullish for equities. Bullish news coming in to close out the week. Hey, George.
Update
Oh,
on
good news.
VIP, guys. I know
Oh, yeah.
there's some questions coming in the chat about VIP. Those emails went out. Check your inbox if you got drafted onto a VIP team. Check your inbox. Account creation has happened. VIP traders are ready to hit the ground running on Sunday on the reopen. Log into your dashboard. Your account will be there. You know the rest. Just check your email.
Wow.
and Get in there, folks. VIP is set to go.
Congratulations. 11 teams, 50 traders on a team, 550 traders, VIP season 3. We're going to go next week. Very, very cool.
Take it slow. Good
Again,
luck.
there were no credentials emailed to you. You just log into your dashboard, your Topstep dashboard, and you'll see your account in there.
All right, George, well, give us an update on this trade. We're along. You got your risk, you got your reward. You keep us updated in the chat on how this thing plays out. But look at that. What'd you make? About 100, 110 bucks in this,
Yeah.
Back to the futures. Done.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad at all. George, tell us what you're going to be doing for the big football game. The Bears are in town in Kansas City. What are the big plans? Barbecue, tailgating? What are we thinking?
Usually we are the friend that hosts. So, we have all our buddies coming over and it's also our fantasy team, basically.
Wow.
Got your tight knit group, that type of deal. Like the
What are you
Super
doing here?
Bowl is better than Thanksgiving at this house.
What's that?
The spread is ridiculous. So I'm fat and I plan to keep it that way, to be honest.
Thank you, VWAP.
I've always liked your style,
JD.
George. I've always liked your style.
JD, did you figure out where you're gonna be watching the game tonight?
Not yet.
George.
I just heard my wife get home. We're going to talk about it in a minute. I've also got to reach out to a couple buddies, but I will definitely be leaving the house to watch the game tonight.
Awesome. Great
I
stuff.
feel like I haven't
JD.
left
Great
this chair in 4 days.
all week. We've been grinding around here. George has, JD has as well. All right, George, nice trading. VWAP, George, once again. All right, we got the big reversal challenge coming up. The ladies are taking over. Let's see who's going to take the throne, take the crown. That being said, this is Top Step TV. Let's go. Huge reversal challenge coming up next.
And an even quarter bid, half bid, the orders bid, even bid. Now I'm a seller. Quarter, half, the orders, and even.
here we go. I mean, here we go. This is the reversal challenge, the last hour of the trading week. Who we got? Upper left-hand corner, Anne Marie. Then you got Manny. Then you got Fatima. Then you got Dr. V in the house. The ladies take over for the reversal challenge. Real quick update, explanation on the rules, because let's get right into it. What are the rules you asked for the reversal challenge? This is going to be a lot of fun. Here they are. Yes, 2 25-minute periods. Yes, basically they're going to enter in with a 1-lot market order, okay? And we're going to continue to ramp that up into 2 lots, into 4 lots, into 8 lots. But right now we're going to mark it in. You have to have a position on throughout, practice accounts only. And you're going to hit the reverse button. Any questions, ladies? Are we excited to do this?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, here we go. All right, so at 12 after, we're going to do 1 lots. 12 after, we're going to do 1 lots. So get ready. Last trade in the NASDAQ, 23,575. Market order, 1 lot in 10 seconds. Here we go. We got Anne Marie, we got Mandy, we got Fatima, we got Dr. V in the house. 5 seconds. 1 lot begins right here, right now. Let's go. 1 lots. Everyone in? Let's go. Okay. 1 lots in right now. So again, you can only use, there we go. Someone is in. There we go. In. All right, here we go. Wow, someone's getting in this. Anne Marie, are you long or are you short?
I'm short.
Okay. Mandy, long or short?
I am long, but
Okay.
I expect a tiny, tiny bit of drawdown.
Okay, that's okay. Again, practice counts only. Fatima, long or short?
I'm long.
Long, very good. Dr. V, are you long or short in your very first?
I'm
reversal
short.
challenge? All right, here we go. Excellent stuff. Okay, so 12 after we enter. We'll probably go to, I don't know, 2 lots around 20 after or so. All right, let's put up a poll in the chat here. Who do we think is going to win? Is it going to be Anne Marie? Is it going to be Mandy? Is it going to be Fatima? Or is it going to be Dr. V? The ladies reversal challenge takeover. I already got scolded in the green room, so I'm just going to bow out and let's get right into it. There we go. Poll is up. Awesome stuff. Is anyone nervous, excited? Fatima, are you nervous? Are you going to take the crown here? There you are.
I was nervous at first, but then
I
think I'm pretty confident now.
Like calm and collected. And Marie, how are we
You
feeling
know
coming
that
into this?
cartoon character you see that's the GIF and she's got her arms up and there's like fire hose of water coming out? That's me.
Yes.
I'm that nervous. I'm nervous with the ladies.
The stakes are high. Mandy, how we feeling?
I had a W on my last intrigue because my only L was against Fatima. So we'll see.
Ooh,
This goes today.
I am nervous. Yes. Dr. V, how are we feeling right now? Your very first reversal challenge. How are we feeling right now?
I feel I should put some rum in my drink right now.
A little happy
It's
hour.
late
Power
enough.
hour.
It's late
I
enough.
brought
What
my
time is
drink
it?
too.
Hey, I like it.
Hey,
Open
cheers!
bar
I would
here.
like to say cheers, people. You had a nice week trading. So it's Friday, and we want to have some love from the chat. This is so stressful, guys. We want some love, and it's not true that ladies are always late because I saw that in the chat, and I completely disagree with that.
Cheers. It was my fault, you guys.
Oh, man.
They were early.
Late. Yep, all good. Okay, sounds good. Has anyone taken any profits yet? Any realized P&Ls yet to
Close
post
to.
early on? Okay.
Oh.
Who's that? Who's got the order filled on? Who
Whatever.
was that?
That was me.
Okay, how we looking over there, Fatima? What's your P&L?
Read Fatima.
Just 100.
Just 100. Very good. Again, this is purely for
Agreed.
entertainment. Practice account only. Simulate profits and losses just to take us into the weekend. Dr. V, remind me, trading is not a video game, Dr. V. You're right. This is purely for fun. Purely for fun here. I've got the poll up. Who do you think is going to win? Okay, here we go. Now, okay, right now 36% saying, wow, who's flipping? I like it. Might be pushing a little lower here. Anyone short? Anyone short right now?
I'm still
I think
short.
everyone is but me.
Very nice. Very
Oh.
nice. Okay. We can close that poll right now. Anne-Marie, 23% saying Anne-Marie. Dr. V, they're saying 18% for Dr. V. Fatima, 23%. And Mandy, 36%. Man, Dr. V, they're doubting you. They're doubting you.
Hey, I voted for the new girl on the block just because.
There you go.
You know what? There is that first time newbie W that usually happens, I feel like.
Exactly. I got my first W my first time. Or sorry, my
Same,
only
same.
W.
All right, Emery 23%, Fatima 22%, and Dr. V 17%. Come on, Dr. V. Let's see if you can upset the haters out there, Dr. V. They're doubting you. You can do this.
Yes, let's go.
Maybe, yeah.
Well, I'm a trader, so I'm maybe I'm too boring.
Oh no,
Let's
let's see what happens here. Hey, okay, so we're going 2 lots at 20 after. We're gonna ramp this up to 2 lots. Everyone's got 1 lot on right now. Up the ante. Then Andrea, we good with halftime at the bottom of the hour? No. Any strategy? Anne-Marie, did you come in with a strategy you're looking to execute?
Did.
Ooh, do tell if you don't mind. Or is it a secret?
I'm going to sell if I see the candles going down. And if the candles are going up, I'm going to buy.
Look at that.
Yes.
She couldn't even say it with a straight face. There we go. Okay. So good. There we go. A little red, little green. Very good. Everyone's got the 1 lots on. Last trade, 23,579. Of course, we are going to take this into MOC. Buckle up. That's when things get
Yeah.
really wild.
MOC is going to be crazy today, I think.
Right. What a day. What a day so far. Fun here. Again, practice counts only purely for entertainment purposes only. So Anne-Marie has a win. Mandy has a win. Fatima has a win, correct? Everyone's all right. Very good. All right, Dr. V. See if we can get you on the board with a W. Okay, we got 2 lots starting in 90 seconds. 20 after.
Okay.
Long 2 or short 2. Push a little lower here. And we'll do halftime. A little housekeeping, but yes, this is the lady takeover.
Just gonna call some insiders right now. I'm kidding.
Hit them up. Hit them. Hit them. Whatever you got.
Thank you. I was like, I'm trying to make a joke here.
You said it 20, right?
Yeah, 20 after. Locked in already. Ooh, did you pour yourself a beverage, Dr. V, to enjoy this, to take us into the weekend?
Yeah, but it's missing some spice in it.
Well, all right. Well, in 30 seconds, we can really spice this up with 2 lots. 2 lots, 2 lots. Right now, let's take a look at some of these P&Ls. I'm push lower here just a bit. It's locked in.
25 seconds.
Yep. Lots in 15 seconds. Then we'll do halftime at bottom of the hour. Push lower here. All right. Into 2 lots. And 2 lots. Let's go. Here we are. 2 lots now. Let's see that. Oh, keep that up there. Okay, everyone's got their 2 lots on. All right. Fatima in the green. And we got a little gray from Dr. V. Man, he taking a little heat. Anne-Marie sitting on some unrealized green there. 2 lots on now. Again, reversal challenge. Only hit the reverse button. Position at all times. Fatima in the chat says, I want to be here. I'm just focused on destroying them. Oh, you couldn't have said that on here. You didn't have to say in the chat, Fatima. You are on camera. You can say that right here, right now, on TopstepTV.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I don't want to
Oh, I
talk
love
shit to
that.
the girl.
That is
fire.
If it was guys,
hilarious.
it would be easier.
Oh, I know.
That's hilarious.
Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Bounce. Let's go.
You see, I can't talk shit to Mandy or Anna Marie because they're already.
That's what I'm
I
here
mean,
for.
Anne Marie's from Florida, so she's already suffering. And then Mandy's from
Here we
Utah,
go.
even worse. So I hope they do well. Dr. V, I'm not sure where you're from, but yeah.
I'm from Canada, the French part.
Oh, that's even worse. Don't get me started with Canada.
Wow.
There's nothing to do
Whoa.
there. So.
Whoa, wait a minute. I like it. All right, let's take a look at some pieces. Oh, Fatima with some green. Dr. V's got a little gray. Okay, everyone's got their 2 lots on. Bottom of the hour, we can. Oh, we're going to click flatten all. Flatten all at the bottom of the hour. Still plenty of time for that. Mandy, let's take a look. Mandy in the green. There you go. Realized and unrealized. Tova Trade says, Fatima, I love when you talk tweet to Andre because he doesn't know what to say. You are not wrong. There we go. Yeah, take us in the weekend. Here we go. Yesterday, I did ask Anne Marie when's the last time she's gone grocery shopping at a Walmart. So I'm going to throw that to Dr. V. When's the last time you gone grocery shopping at a Walmart, Dr. V?
Last week, actually.
Did you really? What'd you pick up?
What? What's that?
Never mind. Grocery deals. Never mind. Sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, that went over my head. We did an article about Walmart making a lot of money on seeing sales uptick on grocery sales at Walmart. I'm just gonna stop and shut up. Let's get back to the game.
Mama 4 kids right here. Walmart Plus is my new best friend. I mean, I order at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night on my doorstep by breakfast time for my kids. So, I'm a big I use Walmart a lot.
They crushed it. They absolutely crushed it. Man, I am short circuiting, Danielle says. Yes, I am indeed. All right, let's take a look. We got the halftime at the bottom of the hour. Got a little music here. A lot of green here. Okay, it's looking good. It's got 2 lots on for now. Fatima is texting. Fatima is talking in the chat. Fatima is... Oh, wow, here we go. I like this. I like this song. Okay, here we go. Oh, everyone's really locked in right
This
now.
is the kind of music you hear in a European market. When you go pick something up, there's always this kind of music pipes coming through the... What? Always this Euro kind of... Always.
Because you want to spend money. What they're trying to do there. Here we go. Let's see here. Take a little heat. All right, everyone, we are in this game. This is fantastic so far. So it's going to come down to the end here. Right now.
Oh, yeah. Looking like
got 2 lots on. Wow, Fatima. Low key. What, he's short or long?
I'm long. She's long. Yeah. She's long.
Dr. V, you long or you short?
I switch long.
Good. 5 minutes till halftime. Anne Marie is short, and Mandy, some realized, nice job, up $300 realized, is short.
300 unrealized.
Yes. Look at that part, Mandy. I'm just looking at the realized part. Trust me, it all comes down to MOC. Hopefully we can have 8 lots on. Again, practice accounts only. Trading is not a video game, Dr. V. Sometimes we tell them this is purely for entertainment.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, let's see some P&Ls in the chat. Doing better
I
than our current
also.
goal.
I know, I'm sorry, George. Somebody heard the
some
drill
other
going.
screens too. I feel like my screen's just like giving away some of my secrets, but it's okay.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, look at Fatima. It's a little more green there. There you go, Dr. V. Also, no one in the chat has said this is stupid yet. I agree. This is not. When the ladies
Oh,
are in
that's
here.
a first.
Yeah. Funny how that works. We're gonna have you ladies on more often. They light us up. Say how dumb this is. But no. There we go. Who's in?
I switched.
Wow, Fatima making some profits there. And Marie,
Fatima,
everyone's
let's
still in this
go.
thing.
You're reading well.
Oh, I should have waited a little longer. Ugh.
Go for flirting. I remember that one. A little push higher here. $583 very seriously. Everyone's looking at their charts. Everyone's got their strategies. Oh, we're at it. Click subscribe. Click thumbs up. Click bell. We having fun. Dr. V, are we having fun?
It's interesting. My brain has to. Yeah. I'm out of my comfort zone. I'm very out of my comfort zone right now.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
Same. Same.
We could tell, guys. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Say it. I dare you say it. Or say it in the chat and I'll read it. Either way. Say it.
No, I said we can see it because they're both negative.
Oh my gosh! Whoa, she could talk
Whoa.
some trash.
We are ramping
All
this
right.
up. We're ramping this
Trash
up.
talking.
Here we go.
All right.
Not playing around. That's what
hear ya.
happens. Up $500 here. Dr. V down a little bit. Anne Marie down a little bit. Mandy right around scratch. This is gonna be interesting. So okay, so the bottom of the hour, we're gonna hit flatten all. We're not there yet. Then we're gonna do halftime. I have some top quiz winners. We'll probably have some hashtag power hour. Anything else I'm missing there, Andrea? That's about it. Sounds good. Thumbs up, Andrea. My neighbor. Really, we're...
There we go. Let's go.
There we go, Dr. V. Okay, there we go. Here we go. And that. Oh wow, we got some profits going here. Who we got short? Who we got long? Here we go. What's the winner get today? We are all winners today. What does the winner get?
Absolutely.
Street cred.
See,
I need
Yes,
some more
thank you, Andrea.
Topstep swag.
we can do that.
I only have a sweatshirt.
That's it. We got some new stuff coming out actually. The fall or the winter collection. All right, let's take a look at those P&Ls. Nice Fatima, Dr. V. I saw you dancing over there. Absolutely loving the vibes on the reversal challenge. We got Anne Marie just loving it so much. She said she's nervous. I'm not sure she's nervous. She knows how to do this. And Mandy is just locked in right now. All right, 60 seconds. We're gonna flatten our positions. Pretty good. We got a good competition going here. Yeah, let's see some P&Ls in the chat. I love when they make up these P&Ls. Okay, here we go. Imagine zoning this mix. Yeah, that would be quite the thing. 50-50 on the tilts. Here we go. 30 seconds. Flatten all in 30 seconds. Fatima's got the early lead right now. Insurmountable. Henry's waiting for 8 contracts, says JMT. Ooh, okay. 15 seconds to flatten all. We're gonna go around the horn, take some P&Ls, and I'll throw it to you, Andrea, for halftime. Cool. 8 seconds. Flattening all in 4, 3, 2, 1. Flatten. Flatten all. Everyone is flat. Fatima still. Wow, Fatima's trying to get a little extra. What is going on there, Fatima? I'm on to you. I see what's happening.
Look.
What is going on? All right, everyone. Wow. Oh, hold on. This could be under protest. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go around the horn here. Anne Marie, what is your P&L at halftime?
It says -91, but I started with -55, so I'm down about $45.
Well,
I know. I couldn't reset it.
It's all good. It's all good.
You can leave me at
What
91.
What is your P&L?
385 basically.
Done. Plus 385. Fatima, what's that P&L?
592.
Excellent. And Dr. V, what's the P&L at this halftime of the reversal challenge?
I'm a professional loser for the moment, so minus $390.
That's nothing. Watch
$390.
this. Not bad at all. Everyone's in this game. Okay, let's go. Throw it to Andrew. Andrew, what we got here at halftime? You having fun, Andrew? This is going pretty well so far. I think it's gonna be a good close.
Happy Friday. All right, first I got quiz winners. So we got Big Fork Builder, Trader X, Under Trades, Ellie Trades. Yopops did win, but they're already a VIP, so we took their name out and then threw another winner in there. So, but yeah, Magic Shrooms, Cattle Trader, Trade Trades 1, Trade Lynn, Casey, congratulations. All right, and then I got your Power Hour content. I got JTAG saying second combine pass, 0 losing trades.
Oh.
Crazy. Congratulations. Right. And then Oscar saying another payout in the books, sticking to the process. Thank you, Topstep. Ooh,
Awesome.
good payout, $4,900.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, and then EMP saying back-to-back green weeks, up $9,400 on the week, and up almost 20K in the last 11 trading days across 4 XFAs. God is good all the time. Congratulations. Happy weekend. And then finally, we got Purple Cat saying flat, green, and free. Blocked out my 5 XFAs, up 317 each. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. This is true. I've got some nice Coors Banquet in my fridge for later, so looking forward to
Well, there you go. It is 5 o'clock somewhere
All right.
indeed.
That's
Okay,
it.
so all right, we got 27 minutes till the closing bell, 17 minutes till MOC. I'm thinking we start back up in the second half. We start with 2 lots if that works for everybody, and ramp it up to 4. That works. Okay, we're gonna go 2 lot market order in 2 lots in. Ooh, shoot. Just 33. All right, 34 after. We're gonna go 2 lots. That works. 34 after 2 lots. Get everyone's impressions here. Dr. V, you're still in this. You're not a professional loser. This is just a silly little game we like to have at the end. But I do like how
But it's
so serious we're
okay.
taking it.
We need to be professional losers, right? That's okay. I mean, my brain is completely desensitized almost.
All right, we got 2 lots, 20 seconds. 2 lots, 20 seconds. Fatima in the lead. Mandy right there. Everyone is in this reversal challenge, the ladies takeover. All right, 34 after. We're going 2 lots for about a couple minutes. I'm gonna ramp it up to 4 lots. All right, ready? 2 lots. Mark it in. 2 lots in 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 lots. All right, we are in. That's short. And Bree, are you long or short?
I'm short.
Okay. Andy, long or short? We are selling off.
Ouch. Long.
Long.
Looking for a
Okay.
bounce.
Yeah, Fatima, long or short? I can see you're long there, Fatima.
I'm long.
And Dr. V, are you long or you short?
I'm short.
Very good. We're seeing a little sell-off here. Bree and Dr. V short. Trading 23,565. 565. I was doubting Dr. V only getting 17% of the votes. She is short going into the second half. Okay, Fatima flipped. She reversed, I should say. Hang on nicely. Again, remember, when I book some profits, click that reverse button. Then click it right back to get into the same position. Just if you want to book some profits here. Reversal challenge. Another push lower here. Everyone can afford 4 lots? We can. Let's, what do you think? 38 after. 38 after, we'll go to 4 lots if that works for everybody.
Yep.
Good? Okay, cool. Too short. I see the green there. Henry's still short. Volatility. Typically, the volatility picks up during halftime and you're trying to scramble to get back in the game, but that wasn't the case this time. this. We're gonna get serious about this.
Did we say at 36? Sorry, when are we doubling?
38.
8. Okay, got
2
it.
minutes. Yep. Right now we're at 2 lots. We're gonna ramp it up to 4 lots. Dr. V looks locked in. Fatima.
Fatima's the one who's locked in. Look at her.
Yeah, it takes
yeah,
the lead.
stone cold.
We got some selling coming in here. Ocean lower 23,555. Remember, only hit the reverse button. Have a position on from now into the closing bell. We got the MOC in about 16 minutes. I'm sorry, 13 minutes or so. Looks like we got a little bit of a comeback from Anne-Marie and Dr.
Yeah,
V.
that long was good. The short was good.
Little heat there, Anne-Marie. Nice job. Look at that unrealized. Good job. Dr. V also in the unrealized green. Come on, Manny, taking.
Let's go.
Yes, it is. Dr. V, you can take profits. Just hit that reverse button. Get back in if you want to book some profits. But hey,
Andre,
just go for the big one.
he's trying to take care of everybody. He's
Wait,
circling the ducks.
We're gonna make this. We're gonna take this thing. All right, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. We're gonna ramp this thing up to 4 lots. This is gonna get really fun. This is where it starts getting intense. When the pressure really ratchets up. Who's gonna take the throne for the ladies takeover in the reversal challenge? 4 lots, 30 seconds. There we go, Dr. V booking some profits. We got green all over here. This is good stuff. Okay. 20 seconds, 4 lots. A little selling coming in here. Are they going to double down? Are they going to reverse out of it? And don't forget, we'll see in 12 minutes. This is where it gets a lot of fun. All right, 4 lots. Here we go. 9. 5 seconds. 4 lots. And 4 lots. Here we go. Wow. Now watch these unrealized P&Ls. Watch this cook. Let's go. Dr. V, did you add to the short? Uh-oh.
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh, very good.
Mine
Dr.
did
V,
not.
short 4.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Mine did not
All
fit.
right, no, Anne-Marie. You're in 4. Mandy, Mandy, what's that face? What is going on? You're not liking this price action. What happened?
I added the loser. Added to the loser. But
Hang in there, Salt Lake City Sniper.
a lot longs.
This
This is too long of a trade for me, Andre.
I know. I was thinking about that. She's the Salt Lake City Sniper for a reason. So here we go.
I think I should trade like that, actually. I like it.
No, it's Dr. V, absolutely not. It's purely for entertainment. We just like to practice accounts only. It's interesting though. We're actually, you learn something from this. I mean, maybe reading order flow, not getting married to a trade, perhaps. Pulling stuff out of thin air right now. I'm grasping at straws. All right, who's short here? Look at this. Wow, Anne-Marie, 800 bucks unrealized. Anne-Marie, I'm done.
Oh, Anne
Short,
Marie.
who we got? Yeah, okay. Short, wow. Fatima is just, they're hanging out. Look at this. Fatima, man, just hanging on here. We're going to need a reverse. Yep.
We're both long.
Fatima's used to watching her trades turn around and go green, so
Yeah, well, here we go. Fatima,
She's
fighting
got
with the
skills
chat
there.
right now, I see. Who are you going after, Fatima? She is locked in.
I'm so nervous. That's
Hold
what
on,
I get
you
for
got this.
shit talk every time.
I mean, hey, you never know. It's all about MOC. Just make it to MOC. Anything can happen.
MOC. That's
it
all you
to
got to
MOC.
survive or get to.
100%.
Anything can happen in MOC.
Anne Marie's got 1,600
Hang
bucks
out here.
unrealized. Anne Marie, you're making me nervous.
Let's
Anne-Marie's
go,
got-
Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie. And we got.
Does not
here we go,
want to stop.
Dr. V. in
Two
the
reverse.
green. Okay, Fatima, there you go. Cut your losses. Man, he's just like, all right, hang on to dear life.
Hell no.
Come on. There you go, Dr. V. Okay. Can we make it to MOC? Can we take 8 lots into MOC? Right, watch this. It's Fatima. Okay, there you go, Mandy. All right, I have a comeback coming here. Let's take a look here. Anne Marie. Selling off 23,534. 534. Futures Reaper says, honestly, this is the best reversal challenge I've seen. Let's go, Anne Marie. I agree. This is the best. This is actually pretty close. We're going to see what happens here in the next 18 minutes. There we go. Okay. Anne Marie's got a big winner on right. Well, unrealized. She's gonna take this all the way down to what's your target to the downside, Anne Marie? What do you... All right, Dr. V feeling it. Dr. V went from the red. She was a professional loser. Now she's a professional winner. But in the reversal chat, look at her feeling. Absolutely, get the weekend started. I love it. Yep.
Look at this. The trend is my friend, people. The trend is my friend right now. Come on.
Look at that. Okay. Ooh, Anne Marie books and profits. Here we go. Anne Marie booking profits up 11. Call 1,200 bucks. Realize. Here we go, Anne. Oh, we got Dr. V. Right now we got okay. Ooh, look at that unrealized from Fatima. We got a lot going on right now. Mandy's hanging in there. We got a lot of the reversal challenge. It's starting to heat up here. This is pretty good. This is getting really good. Oh, Emery with more unrealized green. Man, she reversed right there at the low. Well done. And we got Fatima trying to make a comeback.
Good read, Emery.
Nice. And look at Mandy hanging in there. Mandy taking the heat. And we got, yeah, Dr. V feeling the vibes. Look at this. This is good stuff. All right, I think we can do 8. I think we can do 8 lots.
V and I are the only ones laughing.
We'll take.
Oh man!
I think if we can swing it, I think we're gonna take. Wow, Fatima! Look at that, the comeback kid from LA.
I know.
Wow.
Okay, back to scratch. Fatima, back to scratch, pretty much.
Long.
Okay, I'm 48 after. 48 after 8 lots. Done. This is the most competitive one. All right, here we go. Dr. V sitting on about 700 bucks in unrealized profits. Mandy's nope. Mandy is not cooked. Mandy's taking the heat. Man, you took heat that entire way down. I love it. The Salt Lake City Snipers. Okay. Oh, all right.
Not really sniping right now. Problem.
MOC it. Are we cool with 8 lots at 48 after?
Right.
We swing it. Swing it. We can. All right, everyone's locked in. They've said, shut up, Andre. We are locked in. We're going to take this down to the wire. Let's take a look. Wow, Dr. V sitting on a big unrealized winner right now. Dr. V takes some profits. And we got Fatima. Just book some profits. It's more fun. It's better for the show. We got 23,550 last trade. Here we go. It's the Salt Lake City Sniper. Says Tyler Smith. Fatima locked in. All right, this is getting down to the wire here. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till MOC.
When do we want to double? Before or after MOC?
I'm thinking we take 8 lots at 48 after. We'll have 2 minutes of 8 lots.
Okay.
And then we're going to go into MOC, so buckle up.
Holy smokes.
You can do it. Oh, yeah. You got purely practice counts only. Simulated profits, simulated losers. Just like to have a little fun to go into the weekend. Let's take a look here. V locked in. Fatima. See if she can make the comeback. She went from the green to the red. Look at that. Mandy, okay.
Mandy. Yeah, Mandy's done a good job coming back too.
Oh, there we go. Who took it? Who's in? Who got in there? And we got Anne Marie. Got short. Second half, and then got long. On the bottom there. Nice trade there. Dr. V is saying, what are we going to do next? Oh, Dr. V booking some profits now up. What is that?
Ooh, yeah, she did.
Nice job,
Smart.
Dr. V. Okay. Well done. He's locked in. Dr. V up $1,600. Anne Marie sitting on a big. Okay, we can do this. All right, 8 lots in 2 minutes. Andy, you got this.
Yeah, like a scratch, basically. We're good.
Nope. Buckle up. Here we go. Again, one more time. Click like, click thumbs up, click subscribe, click bell. We got the ladies takeover. The reversal challenge. Dr. V is in the zone, in the groove right now. We got Fatima with. She fighting with the chat, or she fighting her comeback? Stay tuned to find out. We got Anne Marie nailing the highs and the lows on the reverse. And we got Mandy. I think we got this. 8 lots will change. This will change fast. Watch this.
Anything can happen. ACH.
Hell yeah. Right. Okay. We got a game here. Game on.
A minute.
Okay, I love it. Here we go. Watch how those unrealized move. Watch how that unrealized profits move. Oh, they're saying, Anne Marie, close the damn trade. Close the damn trade. Let Anne Marie's gonna trade how she damn well pleases. They are nervous. You are making. We got Fatima on the comeback. We got. Oh, here we go. I love it. This is good. Are they going to reverse? Are they going to add to their positions? We have 30 seconds till 8 lots. 8 lots. This game on. We got game on here. Let's do it. 22,561. And if there's time, we're going to ramp it up to 15 lots with about 2 minutes. But we're a long ways to go from there. Okay. 8 lots locked and loaded. Here we go. In 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 lots. Here we go. Is this casino hour? No, this is the reversal challenge power hour. Ty Love, thank you for 8 lots. Let's go. 8 lots. Here we go. 8 lots, 8 lot, 8 lot. Dr. V is in. Everyone's got 888. All right, here we go. Sweet. Whew. All right, this is where it gets interesting here. Watch those unrealized P&Ls whip around. Let's take a look here. Oh, Fatima on the comeback. Anne Marie, wow, it's gotten very, very. Tension is growing. You can feel it in the air through the screen. Grasping the straws here. Anne Marie said, "Leave me alone. I'm not taking those booking profits just yet." Dr. V said,
Gets another
"Watch
1,000
this."
in.
Yup. Look at that. Fatima on the comeback. 8 lots. 8 lots. 8 lots. Again, we got MOC in 60 seconds. Let's see some P&Ls in the chat. Okay, ooh, Dr. V booking profits now up $2,300. Clubhouse leader. Anne Marie's sitting on a big winner as well. All right, here we go.
Dr. V, let's go.
Let's go.
So stupid.
What happened? 8 lots. Everyone's got 8
should have.
lots? Okay. There we go. This is getting very, very tense here. Dr. V. Okay, wow, we're booking profit. Okay, here we go. Wow, we got a comeback. Mandy on the comeback. Fatima on the comeback. Well done, Anne Marie booking profits now up $3,300 as we take this into MOC.
Oh my
It's ending
gosh.
the game. Look at this. This is gonna be fantastic. All right, buckle up. MOC coming out in 15 seconds. Everyone's got 8 lots on. Are they gonna be long? Are they gonna be short? Whew.
Oh crap.
This is well done. This has been a lot of fun. Here we go. Get ready. Oh, heavy buy side. Heavy buy side S&Ps. 2 billion buy side S&Ps. 1.3 buy side. Heavy buy side NASDAQ. Heavy buy side S&Ps. We are pushing higher here. Look at that. Look at Fatima is now in the green. Anne Marie. Okay, here we go, you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Heavy buy side.
I'm done. I'm out. Dang it.
Cooked. Oh, Salt Lake City sniper, the first one to
Oh,
drop.
yeah.
Oh, what happened?
I've never been kicked out. I don't think. That was a
Were you
first.
short going into that? Were you short going into it?
Short going into it, and then I reversed too late, like at the top of the candle or entry.
Salt Lake City.
Don't worry,
City
Mandy. It's okay.
sniper.
Everyone has their first ever.
Oh, Oh, is that sarcastic? That was not. Well, that was not hard.
I know. Oh, I don't know. Look
I
at
fell
that
for it,
smirk.
Anne-Marie. I
Oh,
almost fell for
she's
it.
so smirky.
Yeah, wow.
I'm trying to be supportive here. You see, every time I talk crap, I lose. See, I'm trying to keep my mouth.
I mean, there's a lesson in there somewhere.
At least you're
There's a
still in
lesson
it,
there
even though you're scratched. Oh, she's down, Dr. Beast.
I know.
Man,
Locked in.
Anne-Marie, let's go.
This is anyone's game right now. We got Anne-Marie is up 3,300 realized bucks. Dr. V. Ooh. Maybe it's
Oh my
flipped.
gosh, I'm gonna get kicked
Come on, hang in
out.
there, Dr. V. You gotta dig deep. The people were doubting you, Dr. V. Show those haters. Let's show the haters how we do it here. This is gonna be nuts. Yes, it is. Anne-Marie saying, good job, love it. Anne-Marie carving this thing up, but Fatima on the comeback, booking some green there. Okay. 8 minutes.
I am
8
not
minutes
losing
left.
to
That was 8.
Anna Marie. I cannot lose to her. I cannot lose to someone from Florida. I can't do that.
Anne-Marie
I will.
just taking
Oh my God.
Oh my God. What's the
Wow,
matter
Florida
with
catches
Florida?
strays now.
I'm just
What's the
kidding. I
Canada.
love
matter with
Florida.
Florida?
LA's just talking crap.
Florida's
everywhere now.
awesome.
Okay. All right, Dr. V. Dr. V, how are we feeling? You are loving him. You were loving it earlier. First you didn't like it, then you loved it. How are we feeling now?
8 lots is a lot. Let's just say
Yes, it
that.
is. Wait till we
Lot.
watch
A little
this.
nervous.
Wait
It
till
goes
50
fast.
Yeah, it does. Wait till we get to 15 lots. If we can swing it, that's when it really gets fun. But 8 lots is wild. Okay. All right, this is gonna be anyone's game here. One of the club here.
I
Oh,
know.
the Salt Lake City sniper is gonna eat at you over the weekend, Mandy. You get over this quickly.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll just go run 14 miles tomorrow. I'll be fine.
That's right. That's right. Training for marathon. Wild.
Oh,
And
you are
elevation.
training? Good for
Yeah,
you.
elevation. Crazy.
Yeah, at elevation.
Right. Yep. Okay, Dr. V. Here we go. We're gonna see here 5 minutes. In about 90 seconds, we're gonna get the last injection of liquidity. Can we get to 15 lots? Not going right now. Right now, Anne-Marie in the lead. Dr. V plotting her comeback. Fatima's gone from the green to the red. Now back to the green. It's gonna be wild. Mr. G says, Andre, please organize ladies takeover once a month minimum. They're saying. Would everyone agree to do this again? All right,
That's so much
fun. Okay, 2, 5. There it is. There it is. Anne-Marie is locked in. She is not hearing anything right now. Oh, here we go.
Oh, shit. There's the last injection.
Yep. Wow. All right, 8 lots. 8 lots. 8 lots. Here we go. Let's see those P&Ls. Has everyone got the same position on? Nope. I need advice, man. Mandy's loving it. Here we go.
What didn't quite work for me today, but at least here in the last 5 minutes, last time when I won was looking at the pending contract, like the DOM, where we're heavy.
Yeah, it was
contracts
so
sitting at.
thin. It was so thin into Power Hour today.
Yeah, there
I was like,
wasn't great leads today, I feel like. So I'm interested to see if that we can even see anything in the last little while. Yeah,
We'll have you
I
backside.
did a lot with the DOM today, but maybe I should have started out with my normal setup and then look at the DOM as we got closer to close.
All right, let's take a look here. Oh, Dr. V. Dr. V on the ropes here. Dr. V's got to survive. We got 4 minutes.
What
Hang in there,
time
Dr.
is
V.
it?
We can do this. We can do this. Anne-Marie's going to try coast. No, Dr. V was going so well. What happened? Dr. V. Oh, no. You beating yourself up over the weekend. Are you going to take this hard? You be hard on yourself, Dr. V.
That was hard. That was
hard.
very new and very uncomfortable. Let's just say that.
For sure. It
Yes,
is
again,
very
purely for
uncomfortable.
entertainment. All right, here we go. Can we do 15 lots? It looks like, oh wow.
Let's go,
Okay, we got
Please
some-
don't make us. Please
Okay.
don't make us go 15 lot, Andre.
All right, Emery
Do
says
it.
please don't. So
Do
we're gonna
it.
ramp this up to 15 lots. We're going, we're going to 15 lots at 58 after. 58 after. Oh, wow. Fatima's down the green. They're at 8 lots. Wire to wire. Mandy says, please do it. Do it. Let's see. Here we
Oh,
go.
you're rotten.
Well, I'm the crowd. The people in the chat. Do we want to see 15? Do we want to see 15 lots? Dr. V, we want to see 15 lots, right? This is just practice accounts.
Yes,
This is
let's
just-
go.
Reed,
we go.
you could go for like the new record, you know. There's always that possibility.
Got the glory.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again, this is just for entertainment. Okay, it's going down. Fatima talking trash. We'll come back to Haunter and Marie saying don't go to 15 lots. So naturally, the crowd's going to want to go to 15 lots. Here we go. Dr. V having the time of her life. Salt Lake City Sniper. Going to be training for her another marathon. We got the music pumping. Okay, here we go.
Oh, Dr. V's out?
Dr. V is
Yeah.
out. She's loving it. She made herself a little cocktail. We're going to take this into the weekend. She's got the club music going. I like it. 30 seconds. We're going 30
The
seconds.
weekend, man.
Yep. Okay.
3 minutes.
15
Let's
lots.
go.
15 lots. Here we go, ladies. This has been an absolute blast, by the way. You guys are really good at this. Oh, MOC, WST. MOC was like heavy buy side. Come on, stay locked. We got the heavy buy side, one bill. All right. 10 seconds. Here we go. Fatima, Anne-Marie, Fatima. Watch these unrealized penalties. 5 seconds till 15 lots. Simulated. Practice counts. 15 lots. Here we go. Ooh.
Why isn't it working?
Now?
15s. Yep, Fatima's in. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh,
All right, no,
mine
we're
said
good, we're good.
rejected.
Maxed out.
Nope. 15 lots. Here we go.
Oh, no,
Okay,
I got
15 lots,
mine.
2 minutes
I'm
to
at
go.
15. Yeah, I'm at 15.
Oh
Yep,
my
okay,
God.
here we go. Anne-Marie is sitting up straight in her chair. This is getting serious now. We got Fatima making the comeback. Look at this. Look at those P&Ls. This is wild. 15 lot practice account. Here we go. Marie's feeling a little uncomfortable. This is very, very, the tension is growing here. This. Okay. Wow, 15 lots aren't gonna give us the fireworks we wanted. There we go. Let me
Maybe.
hold that dollar man.
Maybe.
This is considered gambling. All right. Whoa, whoa. Wow. Okay. Dr. V, absolutely loving it. What are you laughing at, Dr. V? Is it the chat? Is
I'm
it
just
the
having
PML?
so
Or just
much
having
fun.
just good vibes? Absolutely. All right, buckle up. Ooh, we might have a comeback coming. We
A
might have a
second.
bit of a. Here we go. Oh, come on, Anne-Marie. Here we go. Fatima might make the comeback here. 15 lots, simulated lots, simulated profits. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Ooh, this is getting close. Oh
Yeah,
gosh,
it is.
this
30
is really
seconds.
close.
30 seconds. Anne-Marie's.
Oh,
gonna kill me
Team
for doing it.
Florida's losing. That's so
Anne-Marie's gonna kill me.
Oh
She
my
did not
gosh.
like this
I
idea.
am.
She's gonna-
I'm going to send you.
Let's go.
Hold on. Hold on. See what happens here at the close. Anything can happen here. 10 seconds. This is absolute. We go. Oh, wow. 10 seconds. We're going to need. We're going to hammer this. We're going to hammer this.
Trash
Let
talk.
it go,
Look, we're gonna
Bert.
get flatten all. We're going to go. Whoa, whoa. Before you click flatten all. In 2, 1. Flatten all. Flatten. Oh, no.
Did I get it? Did I-
Anne-Marie, you're
Wow. You did get
Wow, the
it.
comeback kid. Oh, well.
You could have
gosh,
given me
that was a
10
lot.
more seconds, Andre.
You're gonna kill me. I know. I'm sorry.
10
All right.
more
Thank you so
seconds.
much, ladies. Dr. V, Anne-Marie, Mandy. Well done. Let's throw it to Fatima with a victory speech, and then over to James to take us into the weekend at the buzzer. That was a lot of fun, ladies. Thank you so much. Fatima, any words for the victory?
No, thanks for everyone who voted for me. Thanks to the 3 amazing traders, women traders, and thanks for Topstep for being the best prop firm out there.
Wow. well done. All
That's
right, thank you
right.
so much, Fatima. Awesome. Thank you so much, ladies. That was a blast. Let's throw it over to James. James, take us out of here and into At the Buzzer, my man.
Absolutely. Fatima, welcome to the winner's circle. It's cool here. As a fellow winner, welcome. We have a special club. We're elite now. But thank you to everybody out there for watching Topstep TV all bell to bell day long. Whether you were here for just the reversal challenge or you've been here for all day and you stuck through the crash, we appreciate you and we appreciate your time. We know you could be anywhere. You're choosing to be here on Topstep TV. We love you. But don't go anywhere. At the Buzzer is coming up right after this. It's got Coach Jay and Coach Paul. They're going to go over everything that happened in the markets today and get you feeling prepared to head into your weekend strong and be ready to go again Sunday. Speaking about Sunday, don't forget, Anne-Marie is hosting Market Kickoff this Sunday at 4:45 p.m. Join her as she gets you ready for the week ahead. Later on that night, Sunday, 7:30 p.m., Coach Dakota has Slow Markets. Then we have London Open with Aaron Trades. That'll be Monday morning at 1:30 a.m. Central Time. And then, of course, Deanna is back with Euro Trade at 3:30 a.m. Central Time. And then if you feel like staying up for a couple more hours, we're back here on YouTube at 7 a.m. Monday morning for another week of Topstep TV. So I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you stay and watch At the Buzzer. I'm James Harden. You're the chat, and this is Topstep TV. Let's go.
Why Topstep? Because traders shouldn't have to risk everything to participate in the markets. And since 2012, we've provided capital to over 10,000 futures traders just like you. From the pits in Chicago to screens in over 143 countries, we've been motivated by one simple idea. We don't care who you are or where you learn to trade. If you pass Topstep's trading evaluation, you'll be invited to trade with our capital in a fully funded account. As a Topstep funded trader, you keep 90% of profits and we take the losses. We also offer educational resources for all levels, live classes, and free group coaching from a team with over a century of professional trading experience. We're invested in your success. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the brokerage account, start learning by doing, and become a Topstep funded trader.